tinyama fofie amenne enkwana mako be 8,000 there. Also omo differ omo course na next year omo ba esan say akwanya ni ho ma omo instrument omo school fees. Okay, just the PRO will be joining me this morning. We'll be having a discussion on that. Clock sack for civil servants for Kuno. One more say, Abanye, be one. They are threatening strike on Thursday. Today, over non-implementation of neutrality allowance. Allowance Kind of a realtor sends a caution. He say, file your tax returns by April ending. Okay. Now, and some baby, Sunday and Rami Samu Bono and Opaya, Honorable Ochri Arafat. Eberto Chinkomo Fantiako South. And now I told you, I almost say, oh, my and our constituency and Pessoa. One money, a year a quine and your cry, ho. A no cry. Fantiako MPD and Amona were to Anopay. Right here, we'll be speaking to him. Yentraho MOB Meka Kawasam near Jan Hosao. The head of the Children's Department, Ministry of Gender and Children's Affairs, Madam Florence Cote Anope will also be joining us online. And here now to train Comodientra and Ramobekaya and more from Ghana. Kwala bebre yesi eni baby o mu free buy no. And one be here say busa o mo say gender ministry. E dey anamo no mu tuo na kwala ne free hen. Na nti o mo huni no mo hu so a yentra ho amane nko say oye ne bi nsi ansa na. We'll be finding out this morning. A research group will be ababontin a almost say Omo you much say John Dramani Mahama stands a better chance than Baumia in 2024 elections. Anyway, they say as we hear to be say we hear research and son of a cow. But MPPC they will spring a surprise. Utie Omo Kasamafua Ghana for the baby bonus to boss on said that monoma. Lawyer no just monoma former dental MP. One of the also in the 2024 elections simple cry. Musa Dakwa, Executive Director, Global Info Analytical. One and Acquire Research, near no budget and home como and Anopay. These and many more coming up this morning. Stay with us. It is time for news. And let me welcome my gentleman and my lady. Yes. Oh, here and Kwabena, Namumpum to say.
Yamiadum.
Okay, and no pay me who say Muhaya Fepa. Maya Cradwa, Mode Cassiano Eba.
Yes.
Eti, Kajasom, Nano Sian Cassiano, Yamfanko.
Anopay, or mine in a beer Quamusano, the nature say, Asedania de Ma Eradi, Mamwache, and Sampanwana Yagusua, Yadema Mosa Sompa Cassia. Now, Pane Quantra for Edema internal audit. Was how you will be a wonim de Ewon Crasiamamona Feso whom Puncho Hun Samso, Dr. Odrosai, what is Sompa Cassia Dinkoma, Yadin Samno, Eba.
Kwame Nkrumah ya pomu kwada sabredia yesu omonfa womade hyian wo ho na asamfo frasi kase mu obete
yenu anamu a wo gentete se wo kene bia edi yanim no oba be ya kyerɛkyerɛfo na wo ho akyere wo mo ewo niam ba ko mienu mu fa aduane ho nsam ne ade no aban no agya sika mu o
kurasa kifo na frasi abontrani no o saban ene pepa bi gina pa no be mo ate bi ahua
yenu anamu a mobile money adwuma ana wo ye no o won kabomu kuo na omo trese omo guso na omo koso na aban no adi nkomo bi
adehia wa santime mu se hwehwemu bi aba betojo a e kire se wo ma no nipa be so hemu nchemu aduasan so wo ma na echia no san wo mo so adwen ye wo nom
ensam no ebi ka ho anopa yi ye frem nana kwabra kese ena
wahini amakranche sofmame premani
So
yɛte Simonia de nkɔmɔbɔ abramo ɛnra na babeto dwa so kɔbɔ bramo Kwame Nkrumah suapɔn mu a yɛ mma bɛ sɛ empim nsia na school fees ho nsɛm wanti mi entienti yɛde wɔ mo nsɔre no ɛne de wutworo bia de wo pɛsɛ wo yɛ bia wo kɔɔso bia fa ho na kyerɛ sɛ ne afeda wasa babeto so na sɛmi ɛkɔfa ho yɛ kakra ɛde bai sanse wo kyerɛ mu sɛ nipa bɛ sɛ empim anwɔtwe aduonum na wɔ school no mu na empim nsia pa sɛ di fair no bɛka wɔ mo no abakwasɛ mu kyerɛ sɛ we ni de dɔɔso a na kyerɛ sɛ babeto dwa ɛnam so ma so mpaka seɛ yɛne ani nti ne akuwa kokoro bɛtane wɔn ma yɛ no durubu mu ɛwɔ school no mu twetwe nkɔma de fa asɛm yi ho ɛnam so ma ne SRC president kora so wɔn mu gusua ne mpanifo ne kasa sɛ bi eku wɔn nya sotrɛ na botɔyɛ mo emra na edania ɛka de yɛkyen so mpro wɔn betua na asɛm yi Dr. Norris Bequin ya ɔno yɛ bedwam kasa mafo de mesia pon no ɛnra yɛne ne twetwe ho nkɔmɔ.
Every university need to account for the number of students they have. So for a number of years, we have been having issues with students not paying fees, some of them completing university and going away with our fees. So this year, we have decided to apply the fee policy, which has been approved by the academic board. And it is required that as a student, if you're an undergraduate student, you must register your courses at the beginning of the semester and pay 70% of your fees. If you're a postgraduate student, you are supposed to pay 60% of your fee. Now we have given 2-month window from February through March to April 11th. And we have some numbers. So those students are in good standing. What we are dealing with now is about 7 to 8% of the students who are unable to register their courses. Then we don't know the reason why they have not been able to do. The university over the years has given scholarship to a number of students. We are talking about students who have benefited from scholarship ranging to the numbers of about 6,000, 7,000. Last year, we gave free laptops to needy students, about 800 students. So the university is not insensitive. What we are having, the problem we have now is a number of students are playing games with the university. They use their school fees to buy Uber. Others are baking, they are setting up bakeries. Others are using it for betting. And these students, we have evidence. Some parents have even sent us audios where students have received their fees but have refused to pay, or simply trading with the money. And we cannot allow this to continue as a university.
Wey ebejam kasa ma fo kasa de ma Kwame Nkrumah suapɔn ene yete ne ka no na nra ye kokoda ye ne kyesa asɛm no egusua da ebobo ba ne SRC president ene na pamfo wo ma ye adwuma papa enkrata afofra be pie dwa kyerɛ mu a ene yi ko pie mu odi no office a wono mate abadwakuo bi anase ye si table bi wo hɔ a ye frɛ ne sɛ ne help desk na wo kyerɛ mu emre ne so ye no ano ene nkoda no bi di mirikantante mu hunu sɛ ye se ne ye di fair wo no kotu school fees kwaji hu receipt na sabre no no ma di kanyenya text message wo mo phone so se ye di fair wo mo na de akopema ne se wo a wonya text message ni bi a wacha sika no ye se kodin office wo so scholarship wo kura bie na no so no fa ho nkrata nyina akọ afa SRC no wo mo hyehyɛ bi a wo ma ya wo mo bo a mabunu mu wo mo nya sika di tuatua wo mo school fees e ho nkrata nyina afa kodin office na mo fa nkɔ kyerɛ mo na fa kwa pa wo be fa so na ne text message no a ye de brɛ mo se mo yes, Antimire, now I'm going to Kunum and Siadi.
Ye call your name and some for emu Imani Ghana and Afenso Africa Center for Energy Policy. You're trying to find ASAP. Dumadia bi ekoso na anu aka ho bi amapani kwankyerefo a woye hwehwemu mapa na wonim de ewo nkrasie mamo na afenso ho mpuntuo ho samso ne din ene Dr. Odrosai. Wono na wane so mpaka se edi nkomo na odi asama to dwa na wo kyerɛ sɛ bia asofo maame perema ni na o man no pese bia ye bɔ no paa anase ye de dwumadie bi hye ne nsa sɛ fa neema we firi ha kwa ha ye adwuma we wo man ne dim sɛ bɛya wia ye betua wo ka na sɛ ade a sɛ ye bɔ wo paa kwa wade bi mu no ɛho akohia sɛ wo se ye biemu yie paa sɛ ye biemu yie sɛ no a na aka ho bi ama wɔne a wɔnim de fa hwehwɛmu sɛ sikasɛmu yɛ nkuntabuo ma pa sɛ nkuntabuo no ɛma no bɛsisi so yɛ wo ka bɔ mu a ɛbɛtumi akɔ pɛpɛpɛ wote bi firi mu a na wanya ɛma ne botaeɛ nti a wobɔ sɔfo maame premani saa ɛpaa no na ɛno aka ho mɛpani ne nsɛm bebree ato dwa ɛna wɔka kyerɛ wɔman yi wɔpani a sɛ wɔhwɛ sɛ bi a obi ɛmfa wɔman no sikasɛm ɛnni agorɔ na bi a sɛ wɔman no obi kura na adi sika bi a watwe no abɛgyina mmerɛ no mu na wayere no agye sika special prosecutor sɛ wɔhwɛ nneɛma bi yie na wɔmfa n'ani ɛnkɔ saa fa hɔ no a ɔno wɔduro saa wɔkyerɛ no no ɔyɛ ne saa ɛbɛboa
ɛbɛkɛta sɛ ne prɔyɛ ɛwɔ aban enyumadie mu a nneɛma tɔ sɛ yɛma contract no mu ne ade a ɛyɛ ana edu mmiri bi a internal auditors yɛyi wɔn fim internal auditors enyumadie nyinaa ne sɛ ɔmbɛhwɛ sɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛ abɛm na ɛwɔ procurement mu na yɛhwɛ yɛ system na internal auditors nka ho koraa internal auditors bɛbɛ mu koraa gye sɛ yɛayɛ biribiara wie a yɛkɔ tuyaka and around that time the harm has been caused internal auditor bi ka so ɔntua sɛ ɔmfa ɔkyɛ ma yɛntua sɛ siaa na ɛno nso de event sɛ judgment debt aba nneɛmi ka nyinaa ne sɛ yɛn open system no up nneɛma internal auditors mmerɛ mu ebien no the office of the attorney general and minister of justice meka sɛ yɛbɛtumi a ɛnka yɛnkyɛm na attorney general no ɛnyɛ te sɛ auditor general no ɔno ogyina ɔno nko a na minister of justice ɛdi ne ministry sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔno no bɛyɛ cabinet minister na attorney general no ayɛ professional lawyer a ɔbɛ prosecute amanfo resan so kaa sɛ yɛhwɛ office of the special prosecutor mmerɛ anim a yɛde tumi na hyɛ ne nsa sɛ ɔinvestigating na ɔmprosecuting procurement of related offences that has corruption implications ɛhɔ no mehu sɛ saa adwumadie no ɛɛba papa ɛsiane sɛ nneɛma bebree kɔ so wɔ Ghana ha ɛdu baabi a na office of the special prosecutor ne yɛhu wɔn papa nti today I'm calling on the office of the special prosecutor sɛ ɔmo mmɔden a na mayɛ nsa sɛ nyɛ ahwɛ han na nneɛma no bi nsɛe ansa na yɛabɛm nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a nyɛ ɔmampanin na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ anom a yɛwɔ akuaku wɔ Ghana ha yɛde tumi ahyɛ ɔmo nsa wɔ mmerɛ mu a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo de yɛ adwuma so obiara yɛ no adwuma a megye di sɛ kɛtɛasehwɛ ne prɔyɛ in procurement no ɛso bɛte
ɔpani a yɛte ne nkan ne din ne Dr. Oduro Sae wɔyɛ pani kwankyerɛfoɔ ɛwɔ internal audit ɛna afei nso wɔnim den ɛwɔ nkuraseɛ mamuo na afei nso ɛho mpuntuo ɛho nsɛm soɔ
kurasakefoɔ na ɛbɔ ntrani o sɛ ne afie mu bosome yi mu wɔbɛte agumante so pa yɛkyerɛ deɛ tiaba no local and civil and local government staff association krasake ɛna wɔn ɛbɔ ntrani no na wɔse ɛnɛyi wɔfrɛ so bosome de tɔso aduonu baako bɛte agumante so yɛkyerɛ nyanam bi ate akam wɔse nyanam ne din no tirade ti adawanse aban no ayɛ sɛ yiram nyade wɔtua sika no ɛde ama wɔm na emu wɔm sika kora no kate aniwa ɛte sɛ wɔwɔ sengrete enti ebi nso kɔtikam saa no a ɛde wɔ ha bɛpapa na saa asɛm yi ɛna sompa yɛde asototo fam a ya ene honorable lawyer Ofosu Asamoah wose se mrantie ha womania ne mapa wai ha ye ni te sensama samaya wasama ne tamfu nso tigu abonte so sa no pay wa omo ye kyera ne hu badwiri ni pa
enya dia close and eco strike otna tede amafo keka no won tro ngoma de bre National Labour Commission say enhihye bi omo ni aban aye no aban di so na sa aban di so a eye ochina 21st ombeko strike omtro letter ni brain 5th April mo efiti wono Labour Commission afre aban ana musifu nyina aka ho Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Employment ama won aka asem no ama asem ni o ka say ko ne cross act for any Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Employment kwa eye meeting anopa ni awia ni anwume nyina wo iti yenya dia strike bia baso said ye amanfo kika no the National Executive of Crossack enkaso on strike okobo bi omde boy mri bi atwam se de omu pe bi amaso a otina ombeko na fitita omde kokobo no bae no National Labour Commission etu anam ama ban anyone hia said ye no mo pe no iti nya dia strike bia baso otina
yo ura ya de wano ase na yeso ye de ani hia ho pa e mutigu abonte so yeso ho ebedwiri ye pa
panimpa ya wono ene ya bedi akire edema enwoma suaso no so wo hwɛ sɛ wone amansan ebedi enkomo na ensem bi a wonte ase fa enwoma suan mu no wakyerɛkyerɛ mu ede ama wo mo no ɛyɛ owura ya opoku mensan sɛ ɔmanfo bɛhyɛ ne nso a enura awia no mu afa nwumre no aba no an yɛkasie no mu no yɛde nsɛm atudwa ɛkyerɛ mo sɛ sɛdeɛ yɛnua no mu a wɔgye nteteɛ wɔn ho ɛkyerɛ wɔn mu wɔ baabi a wɔgye nteteɛ no ano ɔdene aduane a wɔbɛdi adane a ɛka wɔ hɔ aban ntimi ntua wɔne a wɔbɛhwɛ sɛ wɔn aduane no manya bia di no ne adeɛ no akɔnsɛm no akɔyɛ bebree na no anwumere nyame ya atom ama yensa kan yewura ya wopoku mensa ama ebusa ne se ye boabo e ho de kase na ba no ne yatie ni o se aban agya sika mu kyerkyere mu sika ne yesen
Sikana Ukuti and 67,942,552 and a crop petty also for 82 Ghana. The AMC Takano, the impression which is created there as a break of workers and I can hold the creative at the Ama colleges of education here from home. I don't know, mention there, no, about and I buy a Chicago our plan and share the car first. And I won't mean Fata Prep and about and to Sana Mama. Wouldn't say allowance I buy a Chama, Yemiano more at the Yemu, a teacher training colleges of education. I have 400 Ghana cities now. I was on Kapusumi here, a Chama, Yemiano Mokuma. That's 400 Ghana cities, no, 200 Ghana cities. A couscous Mama. The day a year at Piane, and the boss was that way. And he saw a chichimu way, and I will.
Penny abedi akire ya wone amansan din kita ho efiri enwumasua asue honum eye yewura ya opoku mensa
Yeah, to us so Nenra beto just say abedekuo bi how you from global info analysis say wama ye hwehwemu amantam dun sia ni nyina da ho kira Ghana fo bi ye womu o ene ohia bubro ye mase pra kwadwo so de anopa eboboto wuo na ato ache ye pe ho aye guro ye ho enipa nkwa o nchemu be se de osia no nson ene wom se baabi o man nani achewo a ekeka kro no de na chese look me look London ene achere wo man mu nu nyina ye kwa wuo na so mpa de si shefa ye yanti etatoma yere yakokoso etigu mantonso asanteman ebusa wo mo se nsem ya info analysis fo yi kan moni wo mo ya dwen na nakusi Benjamin e bosso woni ade hye twetwen komo
the family ko champion your wise nyame anim asetra ne nye enkola nim kese ase kana no connect so atase
papa me mo sa die ntene ma wo kasa
ye ma me kasa ne se menti ase obi firi bekwai bese bekwai no oba kumase na be pena no aduane abra bekwai ho ye forest a obetima ye farming and when you say nipa fifiri ba bebre ayi mampon ne dia no nyina aban dia we sra aban no
na akra be kana say o moy de yamani no kura ni mo aye de e chin de ahwe ye be ko bebre amoye sese anwene ntima no ho a eno ma be say so man panyini say be wada on sorry now ke kan o se kaka mai na se de no mo ko na e dwane boy de opanyini oto ade a 2 hours kwa ma be ko na ade na san ko suru bi mu price control bi any ho do bi apen ode na ade je okroma emre bi enu a ya juma ase o mu se be sa ban se de no mo si ko suru no e twa mene na dawo ma ese no o me hwe
President Graham said last nation address or kind says it's all mine anymore that over to near Mantia in Bible Tanachi on Kekana Horn and Penning for Monkey Come on or mine and fanning to my infra here in Bible Tomich.
Papa, who will be free by quiet Abakumasi Benjamin, I do free now by. Now, you also what you want you when you queer and say again the Sakai. Ah, Quabana, I send me a papa near Kadia.
So Kumason say actually no be en ho.
Who free baby na any obaye. We be say free one you
so fitachiman.
Me friachim da, techima me kwa wade ho.
General Secretary Adema Mobile Money Agent Association Yewura Evans Otumfo na o kire se on be koso no aban no adi nkomo na said ye yi level hu nsensam de da so ne ade no nokure nyame anim ni ha dwen.
It's so the bebre and it here. I know but you go so any a buying aiding como. You sure say a buying and pese a jumano, a begu, and as a mobile money industry, no, ever collapse because no can say human people and use mobile money. I mean, presence as a platform at the young way to online for a mobile money. There's a nipa to do an human people a mobile money platform. It's in your buying air can say, more remedial actions be and as interventions be so who say, e-levy, it is so bonipa and every India. They are going to trigger those remedial and as a review actions, in as much as yes, say deans so man as the Bema Yidumana collapse, you will Arishimuka crowd on the Abang Air Cafe. They have remedial actions they are put in place in case almost suspected the levy is really going to put a toll on our financial transactions, and as agents are going to look at those remedial steps. So I can only say the whole levy is subject to review after we realize the implementation more harm and prayer on the Sena on a
Yen Yanamwa, mobile money, Jumadie, and Odino, or on Kabomuku. Now, Ura Evans, or no any for penny at the Mawamu, then someone for the Mason.
Nine times to yen chess, you inquire, man, Frafo Cromo and Acasiano Afe, Yan Fanning another any one. Ababa to just so copium Togo memoir. Coronavirus by and a fire yachi one mugumuno, and a priest I be and why be a base and Vishamuni, and they as entreneswa for Rapias Kokuvi, Albertome, and the Ababa to just say, Hooray, ya be a pono, Tania one pro aquadon quio, Wukuna Koshimo Swabruni Paswa Tromana, ya actually one Makogma Fedia Monco, Namonco Shop, Nangasian whom we come last day. Yes, son, Albercono, Corona test, Nube be no Reno, and you assume you know me, I just to thank Crate Crawono, and your Potaka Samatan. Ya edimu ansani amakwama adinuane enso ede corona ba ye no wom so womunya wom chefama chebosome 2020 en womunya wom de nipa pempema nkoma na bi kire wom a emu awufo nko atogo mu ye no ahanu adosome ensa
yemfansi na omahire nto aso
ya radi di mi be si biara ya brante se bobla pa o mobla pa na akodi di kronfo achi na ye twa nan na akotena keti abe de radi di mi be si biara ma prince opompo wonyame wode wasi sori me enko
okay transe menko all right ohini ene kobra kase na mote wo monka no na anopai ya transe na chese ye kaja somu ano no omodi kan tete nsem no ho a na Jimmy Cliff de asase as the brown eyes allowance no chese me be say ye nya the history of this Closac allowance say wa hanumi nanka adwuma wura se ompese be ya manyo 70 neutrality ti bosome so ne ma 50 million a the amount 20% of the 50 million said the be ya nya manyo 70 how ana neutrality allowance me na menti ase ano ti ni yentimu ko strike agwara o shebani this me say you obi salary to na ye tell allowances bi e tuaka homa na ye bum no aho salary na no etimi da ho na bia ye be 1500 ana be 2000 na nyanam no ne allowances na ya so agum no e bia me ti let me say I'm a lay person. I am ignorant of this allowance, but my little knowledge, let me say, the neutrality allowance is said a bay across for me a civil servant. I'm a mobile 2 points here. The civil servant, they make and make government. The civil servant come who boom. So metua. O me ne matro kama Ghana for bo fu near 2. Uko DVL say o kwa koya dia. And some o make catch now. Wo be fu aban. Police for ye no bu aban bu fu. Na ministries kasabi ne onti. Na mo for the bu fu to aban. Civil servants they play a role. And because of that in Tina, Libu so you see a mammo neutrality allowance. Now to now we are man yourself now buying about so you would
now say aside the cry
but the minimum say neutrality allowance is to let civil servants stay away from doing politics.
Active one.
Anna. I know so no say entire neutrality allowance here cost strike. Yes, I catch you amayo.
Aba.
Afei yebeba rad unsa dan kwaso ahye ye Musa Dankwasi omo ye nhwehwemu no. Ghana force omo ni gidie e vice president mu. Omo chese January no mampani abedi e kire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wosoro pa. Na kwadwala ntramaten uko Akan constituencies a. Na chese ode de kire kra. But omo research omo nyaaye. Uko Akan constituencies about Bawumia number 8%. Ala na huri omo gidie Akan constituency na gidie wala mu na Ghana for kra no so hwemu kire say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia omo ko to abasisi a omampani John Dramani Mahama stands a better chance. Na uhwemu a they were emphatic about the direction of the country. So 84% and 69 MPP voters are split in the middle between 47 to 47 for right and wrong. The MPP for stronghold. It is 47 say amemoni koye. 47 so say anyadai. Enkoye. Na yes omo there 137 137 no mo di jam hasebe jafie no. Eno an omo susu di jina e ho omo di edi omasem. Le mo me ba omampani John Dramani Mahama. Omo so wa hura di kan omo de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne be jira wa because omo hwemu a 53% of respondents if it's a John Mama ba ebeboa. Le mo 30% and omo fi say ebia vice president ba ebetuma ebi. Le mo ko Akan enclaves na omo tira say Akan constituencies no Kojala Ntramaten apeja ho pa just say omo to abama eye MPP Akan enclave because Ghana hanmo MPP fokuta 40% of Akan constituency and 11 to 13% of the minority ethnic groups and then a couple of MPP winning elections. It took a minority 13 11 they go to power.
Omahine me saade we enyam nwanwa se obekaya Monday no na ye di saade wo hu nkomo ena na ye de facts no egu ho e kire say the difference between John Dramani Mahama and the vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and we said it clearly say Ghana for bebre elusu interest our Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mu na uka obi beka say e be a politics
Ghana for bebre.
I'm telling you Omahine
omo lusu interest. What is their stance? What reason is
very good difference na e ba ye no ene de enti omugina so omo ka ene say Osha NPP first term of administration Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ba your vice president no na expectation was very high because ye gina enim say kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama sikasem ne Ghana for bebre to abatia Mahama because omo sikasem no nkoyie and it was one factor until Mahama lose abano we said it. Some Mahama said you also bunny maneke can for such and quad MPP Kuran say a Casabia acquiring any Neman Ketebia. Mahama was father. MPP for na Casasam.
For infrastructure, roads. When it comes to roads, I feel MPP has done better than Mahama. But for hospitals and other things,
Dramani Mahama did well. Infrastructure.
Yeah.
Omuajitu Musa Mahama did the best.
He did better.
Yes. And akwa bibi to say said na Ghana for ehwehwe say sikasam no ahokyere ne ade enkoye wo man mu no yemfa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mra oba so papa ne man koye sawo.
No, but the first time as at 2019 yeah, we are 2020.
The first time no man the first
before COVID no. Can we say now mo nyaade?
Won say won asem a COVID e ba ye ene the Ukraine for Ukraine for krata mo de aba bonte.
Russia instead.
Won asem mo de aba.
Russia for the diplomatic field na omo ye. Ene odi omachi a. Ene say o matutu bia ma American countries ni. Enti eno de me enfe no nya asem. Let's look at yen Ghana the situation on the ground is ahokyere wo man mu.
Very simple.
Can we conclude say Bawumia performance na enye ana de ono so be ka kire ye say eniema we ni we or say excess capacity sika omutua de je anyama hoden ani se nkomutua de toso mienu COVID sika ni ka omo boye ene de toso miensa banking sector no de omo sake kan no sika omutua sa ne ma miensa ne ye die dia na ye ni ana wo mo anse seye ni sika o ma die
o ma hini
o ma ntutu omo sika sema sika na nyini o ma ko fa ma ne ya ba
hwe Ghana for atrase una wo be ka the real situation on the ground they actually know Ghana for atrase ade no
Yeah, chum.
Yeah, traho.
As a year,
nim. Nti you na obeka.
And to Ghanaians, no, I mama more than Koye.
I'm kasa na enkoye. Sa factors I will put in place say, I don't know what the year
can it also be a factor.
And I'm just say, and no kura no Ghana for ho. Ghana for no say. And someone will catch the yen see and 2 banamount. And for your sick as some who obey ye, me quote them $1 to see the net is saying.
So, and yeah, excuses.
Yabi, and tell who he has a one about the state of the nation. No one about me from my pocket, I know.
And I last time, so very dear was say the economy is what you feel in your pocket.
Exactly.
On one of exactly. And say, and was say everything the omu kanyina. The economy is what you feel in your pocket. Name not something no. Was it what you feel in your pocket? Name say no anyway, Uncle Drew ha. Maybe he's also making a point.
About the pain.
So say COVID the ban.
Ghana for yes, answer will be near party. Woman, Ghana for Brosa, the man so first no na ye Casabia. As soon as I saw Benti and this near we are dang over top of the man this. Ghana for what I hold my honey. Sadia Mamoni see when Ghana for boys never Nisi Abre. Sadia Mabruno was system when Nisi Abreno. And when he has a woman, Penny Abedi, and a second of Oriata, the state of the nation,
so we know our state.
Also, my also Yana, who said Ghana, Kuana, Sabia, war position, which image the rest state of the nation. Also, a war position. I'm telling you,
Oba power, dear,
or my whooper, baby, I would tea. What do you put down Musa Quabrabatan has say? So, what China, so what to reception, and I saw to office on a wood, Tiamia. Uba who said, when Quabran ye. But I met to what say me, and I said, I'm your phone, dear baby, no crown or monk. And I made sure I was saying, yes, Baba Carter said, this is the state of the nation. Abra me, Philo, be bottom. What catcher is what be a free senior high school, dear mammy, and to me, many impact, no positively on bottom. As this one, Tessa. And telling to us, oh, back catcher, me say, who take me space, I can't catch me say, this is the state of the nation. It's not wrong. And yes, somehow catch a Ghana for where you are coming.
So now, no, Ghanaians are taking you by your word.
Yes.
Say, Okatre, say, dollar. That's
what's in
that? Baby, about Kodroni. It's your buy, and you have said dollar, no, so Mona de Wako drew pesos.
Yes.
Now the dollar is about 7.4. But also, my figures say, dollar now, you can't want some Siciano. Usually increment in terms of percentage. And the increment, in order to 2 NDC, dear one. Say NDC about 50%. Omodiano, I increase just about 12 to 15% or 30%. And no, say when you look at the figures, now the total NDC, dear one, even though a memo in your crown, say the figures na ya Juma, a young put chain NDC type.
Yeah,
no, so kind of
say, you can't say you're wrong. Yeah, and come on, you didn't not pay. Me, mammy, I will test what me Jumuno. Me papa, or bant my Jum. Me papa or war a beer magazine. There were no wash and says, economic terms we are yadi guhono. One time say what you or mine. One yet I just saw no petama contest economic terms we you. Do one say be our class be a GDP crown, be a line from the GDP. And it's our GDP in one yet time so compare mountains and what you. The only one GDP. The only one send is botomuno. I fail it. Do anyone send a crying? Yeah. Do anyone say, Nisuku, some Nabrabo Master, and someone would tell the man who say, when you know, so no one to abandon from our no. What do you have for Phyllis? I promise no. But say, no touch a man. What happened? What because then this is Ghana Mamu. I am quite Susudian and a day. Susudia, this is Ghana Mamu, say one, and Mabunu, and Mr. Mabunu Dosso. Or my head, you might want to have we, but so many pair of I was sending my woman. If it is one car by over car off Elba Carter. Nipa sana bo so me beswin wo ba sane mo mambo de ama wo mo wo bi ewu
si akrama ja say 11
e bi anu no enti wo no nipa e dan wansa na mo nsa akoma no e very high. Ghana force we the pattern
is also the case say Ghana force so yeah behave in a certain manner say the cost wo wiase no we are behaving say we are in isolation.
In isolation
America Krokasia UK diomo across the world. Nigeria haya ben Cote d'Ivoire ya kanenanka emfie ben numne ento adiem. Ennei Cote d'Ivoire okota de na ade abechi a obekọ no ne atum. It shouldn't it also tell young Ghana for say I say ye who say ye dear ye free or man be an I dear ya memona because Buhari pressure one so asa watara ya no fi say Abidjan near my and inflation peja
o man
it is Ghana for so ye who say ye nim the ekoso na ene amemo nu ananya ye bu say 2019 na amemo no to say COVID buy ye ene yisu buy ye amemo no to say it is enka COVID ama enka say ya na be ya na you can't give me excuse say COVID abenti yankota amnem but abai no ne say ya ode agu akwam no BB ba
resource ana
because we said dollar it was about 8.04 8.1 now dollar is 7.4 almost a ram me mukra almost have $2 ni be aguma it's possible say are we not too much jumping the gun say I say ya conclude say amemu ni nyenti aban no nya kra
omamu omahine ade ba akoya na ha Ghana for a comparison nipa bia sa woni ne to no pese otwa wontra compare no a contrast the moment me de omahine beto to akoso ho no na me pa bibi di ahyem mfimfini there is no way say metimi match omahine with akoso in politics in political terms no so be yes hard in the panel pese otwa ntro the moment abo hu say wo ko America wo ko hwan how can you compare Ghana to America?
No, I'm not talking about Ghana. I'm talking about yeah be brema America now what take years off the
and me stress omahine. And somewhere you are penny for no catch to whom much is given, much is expected.
And for you think this government has been given enough.
So it also deliver.
Good. Mama call here in hall. Mama tell no pay.
Katachi makase economic hardship wa ye wo mu sabre. Say ye adwen say the blame ni na be mama mpanyini aban a MPP aban a yeti so ya. Now we are not being fair. Say yes nay baby ye ginen
sisi
say ye ka say wo haw ni amane a ye wom say Ghana fosi kasem no ye de amane ni nyina kogu mampani so a na we are not being fair asa ya heda akate ani say de ekoso wiase ye hui na ya to abama ne say mampani nti wo wu enkwankwa baby ye say wo yire ne ho twintwan say eso ye pipi. No, we don't do that. Woman e de nti na me kan sa ya wo memu ani ya start ya ye ko ye ni bibia kama ewiase nyina e na COVID by one e ye no kore e ko ye mpani fofa so toto niema no e to da bi enye e no ya de baako but is ye yi ani to nchen na se ka se ni nyina mu no e so ye man panyini no mo na ti so nti bibia ye fa blame no koma no a me titum enye yi e de nti na me kasa ye ni a se ni pa no ye what ye yetemamufo no e de ni ye etia ye nua no omai ebi a wonam saa no akodu satellite market bi na wo mu didwa what you come saa Robert tuntum na ye de ton niema no your friend Robert Kwaku wo mu di super glue egu Robert ni mu no de aboba etintim eti se jena no asesa na aboba no so what you come mame jena Robert Kwaku na say oh mi rafefe eye 20 Ghana cedi wonim se wo tofu what the rubber bag black no de ase Robert niti no den chia gumu to ka mu aya ne se wato half full rubber half no de ajew wa gini sika no okọ eti akiro be kono eje na enki eto anketimi di bosome na de de edi 2 weeks se de abai de Ghana ide abai wa mani ememu aye do asu no obi na te wa wanu ni service interest
say ebetima one or two scenarios but the general issues no
my asama na wo kan say dollar yi so di bi be shem ama na perform enti benefit of the doubt na ya hwese ya ko ya nim kakra no de wo mo ka no ya no kra wo man obie no obekata sa bre wo mi Ghana ya ho toyen me kura no pe na me ka se ba bi wo de ya ba ye adwuma yi ya ho kire yen wo peduane ato area wo nya bi ade o ka ko ba bi etu titi free mu a wa baka any cash enti ade a ye tua no too much ya ho kire yen enso ye hwe bibi kakra afi na COVID yi said the reverend obi kan ye gunu eti egunu a ekofom no ye ntwen kakra na ye mo mra kakra me de ona me gina o man me ka se Ghana ye ho atoyen eni me nyina toto
ba office ye ase ye yi ni se
to chen se
ahotire ni wi ase
I say yamfa
na Ghana nkwa de
some for somebody be ya wusie man and you the president ne de kwa bia so yamfa ho wona aso bedie to abade a and your magic bia obey bia no
say no so twe agene ko sisu say ye no mu kasa as politicians ye nhwe ye because edu ma bia wo akire a abo na ototo ba park no so no
ene wo mena
eno na ma je kwabra kasi kai say obi on ma o se ensema o ka kire me no enya no na me hunu ti say ne o se obi on ma no wasi samanfo samboard a wo ye mine no ube ka de a kire na o say na aka kire me eno na me ka say eyesa na as Ghanaians we are also not oh yes and the politics will be there because my dear and I know me ka say me kire wo me say na do over 2016 eniema 9 John Mama o se sia eniema 9 Atamis eniema 9 Jekufo eniema 9 entina me ka say yen Ghana fo no ena wo se me ani da ho ko ba ka say asemi a wo ka wo say ena Ghana ni hia na nado ana ba umia ana John Mama mo be ka kire ne say this is the state of the economy
onim
obotom ba umia say the economy is what you feel in your pocket.
Ya no kre e wo mi bottom eni se dollar ni be kosoro na me kwa kofa niema na me ba beton ani boy dinti ya nto no e be ma me ho akire mo mi bottom.
That's right.
Ba say dollar no mu ye hu bibi ti ya hwe.
So the officer ya no musu ntwa ope. And Ghanaians can't wait. That is the problem.
Na ye wait eni e be ko betra. Eni e be ko eni ajire kokosovu
agasia je wa ko de ogodi amro sama mi ti anopai anopai ha ye ja abono nsia pa mi tadu asanwo twehwe wo be se hu mi ma ba wa ya me so moma air conditioning ko from pa to betete na ba bia ya jana ya so anono me pe se obi a fifre betro na ni ma ya ayi oyire wa yire wo fi ha abono nsia go to Facebook now if you really want to have the idea someone no pay no ya to the din pay buka ya siama no pa free no sia e pa mu meter duonu kono ya pay mu aka pe ye ni party bia fa asam no to ase ne wo se ka no ene e ka no we kai MPP ni bi tibabi yasma branch ke de yas we MPP ni bi NDC ni bi tibabi every yas abami yas every papa ye we ehu ye nti obi a case send your my Ghana ekono and you did tuja. You will diverse opinions. Akwasi aje wa kode. Wa kode amro sa. Me so say there no ma me bia me ho ntam. Ma me tell no pay.
O man me da se na enkomo amudie. Eye me de pa. Da bia sasem we yeka. E na wo hwe MPP, wo hwe NDC, wo hwe MPP, wo hwe NDC. O man de meka ne say there is nowhere a wiase besasa na chida. Onyo man Ghana nkwa ne ho chiri yo. Hwe wo kwa America mamu a. Senior oman ne yesofa no America mamu so sofa. Na ade ba ko a ama oman no yaga se da bia oman ne tim de tim no yeso oman na anka se ye ne bi. Ene ye mpanyimfo so kasa. Wo mu kasa too much. Bosha want to mini so no. Eno no wo hye.
Somebody mama na me ne lawyer Obribo ahen. Ono de wa kan de pain say obe support to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He's the best bet for a MPP. Lawyer Obribo ahen. Abroja penny me watching.
Hey, uti.
Metie.
Mera mi train na command pushi. Me mo bi adino.
Wo train no command pushi.
Okay. Mi train no.
Matias.
Oti.
Ai, o se on the obo bi adino ni train na command pushi. Ati so obu be obatiase anu atiase.
Na wo kokawe. Na no so be ko bo no somwe.
No the FNC am pushing and train beko. Mami busa.
Me dey am say.
Aha.
Mi train no e ko man pushi.
Sompana 3.1.
Tiawa. Na firman pushi a woti.
Aha.
O say asa wa twa ba no o mo ye bologafo. Mi train na ko da na ni bologa frafra.
What you the any come no pay na e ya kaya se wan wase. Director of Global Info Analytica Musa Dankwa. After Economic Intelligence Unit Secretary Beto Abonten. Womo so de omo de aba say. Womo de Ghana for to twin komama amamu nyina. Womo kire say omo pani John Mama. He stands a better chance of beating even Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. As of January, now Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia LED cry. So and they almost research na the dance say Papa John Dramani Mahama, about 53% respondents, only 30% have an affinity for vice president. Asami ebi mo say ayo imagine kesene economic intelligence unit for the eba enti na o mahuri di we so aba ana no kre ene demo omoka ma yenti wa bronye
o we dey nso na fraction to no ko ba bi bebra bi be 3.1 bi be diabu bi be spray. These are serious issues for us as a country. Prices of food items cost. Hopefully, we soon know around June by Chibobabafam. I mean, these are the serious issues. Economic Intelligence Unit, EIU, is a reputable institution. As a country, we are in the our soul for better past 20.1 years. Now, didn't our boss say, that's a bad day?
Nimo, the executive director, Global Info Analytica.
Bruni, I know what no, it's a bit free. That's a bad day. So that's and I'm Africa. I'm on some about the new watching BBR and no tea. Dear, sorry, na obonism no can end. Present issues, urgent issues, important issues, serious issues, issues that will move the nation forward. For us in MPP, no. Yeah, we're MPP, no. Yeah, and say. Yeah, at this year. You be a couldn't be or your hen. Yeah, MPP for can say. They'll break the eight. That's the most important thing. And then here, say MPP, you the Kwajubaba, you the Kwabanababa, you the Kwakubaba. Me, to go, me, a general Kumasi and me getting on my common court and I'm a common chamber. My major priority is to the MPP will break the eight. So the Kwaju, Kwabana, Kwaku, Yao. No ata tawia nyankomango etu akosai mame ba kono wo ye nyina nti mabanwe ne baba de ho badi de banwe ne baba de ho ye nshebega ne ba samsaw we know how to handle our affairs. In 1979 we live to Washington no ya kantam
Sompana 3.1.
Yeah. The catcher was a bench of the Sa Kuna, I didn't know middle crowd, crashing by Mentobo for Papana, Matimabu beginning. Then she was soon. Yet, Sunday. We know how to handle our own affairs.
Yara. Obribwahe. And some be say beto ja.
I'm for can na President Mahama ban this year. And this bill is here. Obi bi samre o. Na we so component nyane tai sabe. So the bebo no minimu. The bebo na tiku. The bebo na basa.
Na Ghana force concern na omo raise wo mu ne say enema mo aye den. Ebi mo say MPP for enchiremu a osam de ma Ghana for na omo hunu say enya Ghana nko ano mo communication na atonsuom ena opposition no so enwuma a wo to off omani mo aye de na aban bi ebe odi betu aban otiso ni gu no I say it is sinking with the people and no more can say
once again let me share my experience in politics. Anyway, communication team, member of communication team. And a communication team, some call workshop and frame that. Say a call workshop, nobody one, brother. Then frame that. And the communication aspect, you know, and what say about the someone. But you see, I'm the Deputy General Secretary of the MPP, and with experience in this country. So I'm some now I'm not going to be the one. I'm not here. And this one, Uti. And this is everybody else. It's in the team Manchester United. Yani Wolves buy every and Norwich and buy every Liverpool the Kusu. Near that so. Oh, na Maguire. Oh, na I Mata. Oh, na Rashford. Oh, na Jadon Sancho. Oh, Pogba.
Sumpana
No, so you see, with the NDC, they trace the ancestry to the CPP. Ditro, Chatro, Chankontompo, Nadaya Juma. During the Bolshevik Revolution, the Russian Revolution, in the 1914-1918, these are the characteristics. The Cuban uprising in 1958. It's the Castro's uprising. Detroit, Chatro. I mean, it's a communist.
3.1.
Chatro, Detroit. Ghana, you have more experience with that. Kwame Nkrumah, Myanmar, Kwame Nkrumah became CPP for time. In the 1977-78 Union government, a example I call to come no Union government apologies, but a example the plane I'm sure. Oh, I got a Ghana man you see more. We need CPP as a for then throw in Kuntumpu. So I think if I mean, in 1990, 1993, no 92. But I do buy or Apache. I do buy an estimate. I do, and some of that council.
Beba, you're Robby Boy. Some year I will say Chatro, Detroit. If Omokana a Jumana and no demuko position, don't you think you should be worried about it?
Yes, you should. Why not? Because with the Russian Revolution in the 1914, 1918, and the Revolution in July. And my revolution in July until around 1988 or 90. And I go back to buy the Berlin Wall. So now, even with this throne, it is seriously affecting North Korea. And so no one can. And that Saturn, Russia, socialism, Putin, and Enema, they are one of the richest in the world. So, yeah, it's a natural phenomenon. Chatro.
So, Ediana, as a party, Mosumo Yadia counter what you are saying, say, allegedly you are saying, say, Chatro di Trono. Diana Mosumo Disiano, because Ghana phobe breakase, MPP for free opposition, a fan and Crophobe who say, hey, Sena my ABC, and so man to me, the untrumpete. And our man far bang and say about my young hunia moye. And they are buying to say a crowd so de eba can offerata be catch a Ghana for Dr. Mahmoud Bami Asubekai. At the same Munyashi. Etino Obi or house or many more ideas. Oh, abandon to say about no busa say, and to say a bay. I just asked a bro for 70 yard Dawson to send you a no Cassia church and your member Chino. Courtun to say any bro for 7 you are not going down to the people to understand you. Anadia me came me boy.
And no fire no and yen me no a buy. For some more than my four. In 1947, I'm going to Kwame Nkrumah buy. A very good meeting down Kwame. Grant, Aquajidu,
3.1.
Look at before I wrestle. Kwame Nkrumah no so another zaman na mu, not the feeling na mu. Kwame Nkrumah, no opportunity. None in the man was here. It is Mo Salah to say Sadio Mane should go. Mo Salah should go. And so Mo Salah should go. Liverpool fans. Or money to be but the Sadio Mane tell you I know I can anyway so.
People cry advice to say home free her because they why yeah bro Mo Salah there so part Liverpool for pay Mo Salah sem
monka so free I on sele kakra on sele
MPP before no o de tutuma go to say no ne niam no doso dodo
when you tell the workers so say better na Liverpool supporters na pewasa yeah she go one Kwame Nkrumah did that. So in 1949, one Nkrumah wanted to Nkrumah press autism.
3.1.
Not when you supported the vision. Nkrumah Kote Committee on Youth Organization war UGC, you know. No name the man of the Caribbean. Me say MPP penny or baby or qua. Onya domino party send you briboy. Asampa nyase mi de Germany. Because I may come out to a peters bar matter hobby. Bench na munyina motesom and then this no matter. A peters bar on some men numbi. And so that time may the job to be so. No, we need to come down. Bravo. Name shoot Nema Bravo and September and then from signing I'm in the bomb. I move with the crowd, I move with the people. So I enjoy massive support, tremendous support in the MPP. The ban about by Chapis, you know, and our fufu be there, all the while. But actually, be the this is the culture say, yes, I'm going to come very September. May artists make more restaurant to begin. Maybe trouble. It's not just because restaurant, but you see, I must lead a very low key life. And that has been the bane of the UP tradition. The free 49, no Kwame Nkrumah, so Kwame Nkrumah, I'm free for about 47. 49, no one no support for change. Because Kwame Nkrumah about from. Because I know in the 40s, you know, Oko Master Boy and DJ Boy and no market of favor, Oka better wanda, Oko, wanda area, siesta.
So, 3.1.
The Kwame Nkrumah. So, a traditional. Sabe, you need to say, Sabe, Kwame Nkrumah. But me give you say, what time? Well, we are in to look at. Look at the MPP, sir. Chatra. The NDC will be Chatra say, Gizayas, other president of Fuawo and Tafo. I look remember election. And this is no money jet, or more jet, over this article. But MPP from by nature of tradition. They need to say, Udo Bijama, say, district assembly, that the
Sumpana 3.1.
Concrono Bebriso, district assemblies. But
hello. All right. Lawyer Ribuahi, I'm going to say Deputy General Secretary of the MPP na Motesi and Train Commander or the eco history. Any a home friend about the say a tro any and Yama Nonka do Busasa na Executive Director Global Info Analytica for Womobada Bay. All of a sudden, a Bimusa started raising say, is it sheer coincidence? Say, a bit told just say, or my penny mama bet me away. I end this bet my name just on me, mamma free mono. It's in a way to swap the tomb bam say, oh, mamma, na leading to any end this for mamma changing one. Because is it a political strategy? And as a research, no, my yamba. Because I didn't know some way soon qua a bayana and also so a piaba. My name was Adam Quantichenko. As I say, now when you know, no answer. You're a Musa Damqua, Executive Director, Info, Yamawachi, Global Info, Yamawachi.
Mijimuso Namia Dumboko, Namusue.
Okay. Eddie can be so boame asemi and say Yene Yera Deputy General Secretary of MPP in the person of Leobribo Ejuchenkomo. He was questioning saying Global Info Analytica kra mobile da bay. They toss me nu adentina brewe yana mo research abeto abonten ebra Economic Intelligence Unit the betu just say NDC for change Mahama no betima win e na mo so de aba abonten say mo research say Mahama and LED stands a better chance to crash Dr. Mahumbamia. Is it sheer coincidence? And I say political strategy bia bode boa NDC. Wadaruma Ghana MIT ye are not near to.
Okay. Me da sinya konya o de ma me say me opinion no. First and foremost, ye ba Ghana almost 3 years. And we nye fair safe say bia yaye. If the don't blow here, but we say bia o bi the kai chi na independent company duma. Inti osha ye ebio the same survey no January obi anka ho atemu.
But January survey no e dia na mo ye porte.
No, ye survey on issues including illness and corruption and performance of the president, direction of the country, and special prosecutor. I mean, you be and Alan and Baumia count and Mahama to the account. So anyway,
okay. It's me shade January Alan ne Baumia ne Mahama no net to say.
You are not Baumia lead Alan 40% to 28%. And Mahama LED for 54% or thereabouts. And I feel quite no high. Into I can afford one or more adding a motion. So we're getting that.
All right, now let's look at this time research now. Constituency is saying and I'm Bora.
What's again?
Constituency saying I'm Bora, regions in Yanamokoy, and I say, more sample size, na say
68. In the country, we do a part of Quadra East, Ishaesu, Swami, Messiano, our Santi.
Regions no more call na muchusu regions maybe.
For all the existing regions.
Okay, and constituencies no more say 58.
58.
58. Okay. In total no na respondents near saying
almost 5,182.
5,000. And I'm a margin of error ASA
1.79.
Okay. Credible. Now let's look at it. Also, yeah, they. But yes, okay, boy, make a cry. They didn't almost say, "Oh, my penny, your mama." I stand a better chance.
And if they become reason,
Musa said, "Reason why I'm to Moka say, but I must stand a better chance."
That any different project so and become.
Now, the other two guy, Obiaka say, info for almost say, "Oh, my penny, your mama stands a better chance." No, yes, and for na ye can now say, "Yamunamokai."
It will be a super
it's more research, you know. What was the outcome?
The outcome is that so far, Alan against Mahama is closer race, and Baumia against Mahama.
And what was their reason?
Your call.
Musa Dankwa, one way. Because when I research, baby, I will call. And as same way, I now can count. And you know, when you such a platform to explain to us, say, when you went to almost see a fire lana, MPP 4 year lana, on a Omampeni dada, a bit me, I'm way bedding. Now, Baumadi and your cry. Dear Sam, no can see you on our kind of Ghana for. Now, maybe your researcher. based on what Ghana for again, and I remember conclusion, based on my analysis, based on my objectives, and a sample size, margin of error, busa way, you know, say, okay, 5,000 respondents, Ghana for, yes, you have a Ghana for, at the end of the day, dear Papa Tina, more arrival at, and I'll say, Baumiane Alan. Say MP before ye Alana. O Jinamu chain, Baumia. Dear no mudi jina so as Mr. I know there mean to me in can was a man, so and nay, Omo Muti, or research, you know. You didn't help anybody. El to be or better my for research you are to actually. Because you if you are not ready to explain your research and make Oko baby say, then why did you even accept to speak to us?
We a program no na Namishra. That program we no say umwabwa ho emha ho. Wa nyema bi say no na aye mani pa bi di o madwen di bibi achi. Wo ye research aboa ema ye hunu say de ye ekoni na beto twene toro kan say we na ekọ die pa me ho na mesiri sunye. Ubisa ne say edie no mu gina so ntia wo de align ene ba o me gina wa align gina mu a wo se no de ya musa hey brahaba bo me research be no.
No, because my issue is I'm not interested in Uteme. My interest is not even on say when wage now. Oh, say economic intelligence units for the Omasembai. Almost CJ, do ye nya omono. We are based on the fact of their credibility for about 16 years of researcher. Omo be to her and Tomfa. And yet say, Maka say, Echna, ye be we. Nipa jemedi nti obu a onyene ho say o mahene ka obey ana onye because of my credibility.
Integrity ni adwuma.
Why dey make no? Enti se wa be ka we a wo so ba mfie miensa ni. Mfie miensa dey research mfie miensa pe dey unasa uno su kokra o. Uno su kokra. But it is agreed say why research na form. Na time in there by no so ma people are questioning say is it the economic intelligence unit say NDC mu change Mahama? Ena mobile winning. NDC for also say there be Mahama stands tall. It's the economic intelligence unit. There's no way they can change the minds of NDC. So when I be told just siano about me na ka be a me person di ni rapa the performance of the government now. But yes I see crowd no wa nyina. Enti amaze say research no. I don't know if I can work with this research because the owner of the research in another way is like running away from one research. I'm telling you, Kwabra Mukaka. Kwabra, I know you know use me. I'm telling you,
Yajuma ye. Sebi o mahina no pe wo suma me se Kwabra ko ebi akejeti akoye adwuma bi bremia. Sa wo tifi ha na me report de mawa. Me wonne man nan anase numbi e wo se me kasa mu no ebam. Se sa niema na amamu a one wo mahine no se de wadwene mu si do no behunu se Kwabra hye ne yere dem ene wone me kasa yi.
Oboni kreti.
Won se obi wo ho a wo frɛ no phone so na wo busan se sister na wo he wo se me wo fie but wo te background na wo timu so oni fie. Ye wo ade bi wo ho a yetimi de kɔbɔ obi ho na wo de na gedin. O ma ye betimi adi December ko achi 4 years kura na ye nwie. 3 years no 365 days na yafe. Enti wo kura wo nduru ba bia. Won say sa investigation na di kan ba ye na no de na ba ye na ye di hu nkomo no. Aboa no wotimi de ne ho twetwiri sie na waye kokɔ. Enti won say obi a compare woka se na no de nkɔfo no de ba ye no de. Na kakra ne ye de ani adi o machi no omo nsem omo de ka bia no omo be si one this and this and this and this enti wo ka ba ma wotimu sa asem oni pa no ka no eye no kore na de obeye ye de menti ase o ma no nse na woni abonye edi nkomo no na ye nyina no ye nimu asesa kakra
because maybe I know the any
no me ko me ka so ma he katene ne mfa credit no nya no da ko I think no be possible credit on say wo frɛ dankwa ya no ana me ji call me ji people wo so mu aho
so we tro
because ye news
one tro
very much tro
we are independent and not any political line
yeah independent dey eh o ma yiri ani abre o hwe so abe ha ne ye wori ani abre o so wonu me se wo mu aho ye sere me se wo credit ɛna nyɛ sɛ bi a wobɛgyina line no so bɛka deɛ wopɛ afa ho adi o dabi we are serious and we are doing serious business politics na yɛyɛ no ɔma ahene sɛ yɛsɔre anɔpa sɛ dɛ amanfoɔ si wɔ ɔmu gyidie no anɔpa ka mefo yɛ a meba na ɔmu tie wo
sure
na sɛdeɛ na amanfoɔ si ka wɔ asɛm no mɛtini no koraa ne draba no ɔpa nyinaa no wɔka wɔ asɛm na woka yɛ mindset
that's right
nipa bi abrabɔ ɛkɔ ditch because of n'adwene bi wɔn mu sɛ adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a wɔyɛ a ɛnyɛ yɛ n'adwene na ɛkasa kyerɛ no but ebi a positively ne nkɔkɔ n'anim a nkɛbɛ yɛ yɛ ama no na deɛ wɔbɛyɛ anɔpɛ deɛ wɔpɛ so kyerɛ sɛn amanfoɔ ni bere abere yi a ɛɛtie yɛ no ɔnsɛm ahɛn ma ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wo compare Bawumia Mahama Alan ɛne deɛ keka ho bia no a Ghanafoɔ no ankasa nim o anɔpɛ wo deɛ wɔpa mie platform no ɛmfama Ghanafoɔ mu ti anɔpɛ yi sɛ saa nipa a yɛabobɔ wɔn mu din no percentage bɛn na wɔde bɛma A wɔde bɛma B wɔde bɛma C ɛhu yia sɛ ɔna mi di kaka kyerɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ no sɛ yɛn ni abere o.
Kwabena, I will do just that for you nansa na no maame nkɔ KNUST mra.
Okay.
Murphy ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔne students ni bi ayɛ krado na yɛ musa wɔn mo deɛ ɛkɔ soɔ Murphy mímu akye.
ɔmɔ
aho te sɛn. Hello Murphy. Oh line akate. Akosia. Now kasa ɛna nsɛm we nyina bɛbɔ mu. But Murphy say if somebody knows Musa Dankwa ɔne ne nkasa. Na next time obeba a platform like this. I have said it by God's grace. Some of us we are not ignorant hosts. Until banner say only no bedin koma. Don't think say you be free say openi mo research no et say no akasa we are say yeah that's it dabio we interrogate issues here we interrogate issues Murphy who KNUST na e hot say anopay
KNUST e boko na pede e betoja ma e One Media yedi kai e report ye e wo ye nkasa tibili e kasa fonini any online so Elipa Bese and Pimsia 6,000 students out of the 84,000 populated students of KNUST. The movie Bese and Pimsia no, Yamo Amoman Tromon, so a face no, Yasa Edifair or course, and the Catholic Edifair on 100%. Better acting on one name about Omun Common. Now, Pimping the College of Humanity and Social Sciences President. I will maintain the person in the Komo Ansana. Any Oma Omoto no Edin Komo.
Transomani.
Opotokaka, until you back up of Casem. President, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning, sir. Well, so there is this news reported, not even reported, that has been on viral, that about 6,000 of your colleague students have been deferred based on the fact that they are unable to meet the deadline for payment of their bills. What do you make of it?
Yes, so that is exactly what is happening right now here in the this followed by a policy that has been adopted by the school for KNUST credit and management policy. And the policy states that students have to pay 70% of their bills in order to be considered as active students. And then it has been a case. Students, a number of students, as it stands now, over 6,000 students were unable to meet the deadline for payment. And the school management gave them a determined message, which means that they would not be able to continue their school as it stands, and they will not be considered as an active student. So, Karen, that is what's happening in KNUST. And then we, the student leadership, have been in touch with the students, the KNUST authorities, management, and have been advocating, taking a number of complaints and our concerns, so that these people will be vindicated within the shortest of those time.
Well, you've been a student leader in your constituency. How many students have been affected?
As of now, I can't tell the total number of students that have been affected in my constituency, but I have received more than 100 calls as yesterday indicating that they have been affected. And I believe today a lot of calls will be coming in indicating that fact that my people are also affected and then they are also distracted from this.
The SLC Secretariat released a press that they've been able to reach a consensus with the authorities that a deadline should be allocated in order for those who were unable to pay their bills to meet. How sure is it and how relevant will this have on those who are unable to
pay their bills. I must admit that the SRC, together with other student associations, have been instrumental in this conversation. And as you have indicated, the SRC has been engaging the management to ensure that these students who have been disturbed as a result of unpayment or their inability to meet the deadline would have their status affected. That is when they've been able to meet the requirement by paying the 70% of their school fees. And so the whole conversation is if students have been able to do so by saying management is willing to invest their status back to normal. But when they fail with that, they will still be deferred at the time.
How bad is the situation now?
The situation is very bad. In fact, at this time, students are not having the, even as you can see, very soon, lectures supposed to be.
Murphy, can you hear me? Murphy.
Hold on. Yes, on my.
Murphy Busano say authorities no accusation, any of allegations, and say. And my friend be was school on ma, ya more school fees on my me confirm say. One more ya betting. Ebi mo de ya buying and selling. Ebi mo de dija, them fast oba, or mo de akobisu de akoto chacha mabu. Ono na say ho president no. Bibi says see, ana ma mo nkrofo no bintimin tiana.
Right, so according to the release by the authorities, they claim, let me be specific, that University Public Relations Officer, so the publication came out that those who are unable to meet the deadline for the payment of their bills use their school fees and other bills for Uber and My Best. And that is an allegation level against the students. How true is it?
Yes, so as you have indicated, it's an allegation. I'm not sure whether or not the university management has any evidence to back this fact. But obviously, this is a university community. In as much as I believe that it's not all students who will use their fees to,
Are you admitting, because you said not all students,
yes,
in that regard, are you admitting that some are doing that?
Obviously, there would be some people who would using their fees for tax purposes. That is the fact. But as I'm indicating that in as much as that may be true, it does not mean that over 1,000 students, even more than that or half of that, students are indeed in difficult times, as we have indicated. We are really suffering as students, and then we are in high times. So I believe that the school management does not necessarily have these documents, to buttress this part by us.
If they do not have those documents to buttress the situation, how will they come up with such allegations?
Yeah, that is why, actually, I don't know the source of these allegations. And
have you read from the...
okay, Murphy.
Yes, there have been allegations all over concerning this issue. But as in when they have seen evidence, that has been my problem. And that has really been my problem.
Hello, Murphy.
Yeah, on my...
Yes, me person follow up now midday news no. The other reports in out, but get all the interviews intact now. They are canon or they are tossed by Murphy. Now, what is and Comono. I want on so upon me to do no. Sanya, Nana Cobra Cassi, a Kayano. You ever see about Monchain? And Coma, it looks as if, sir. Yeah, Janos, so yeah, fair to you. We want you to join us on the lines this morning. The next about 5-10 minutes. Here we are. The Obokrata no pense mono nana kwabna wa ha no saso so na wo hini ni aykrado na akosia so ye bebu bom na ye hunu mo hunu enkrata no be ko. Join me on the line and share your thoughts on the issues that we've discussed. We want to also hear from you. Yenemo eneti ha yenemo na ebu mine yenemo na omine no ye pen the cancro 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello, man.
Yeah, Pacho Handy.
Unia Kuma Christoph adult education, Papa. My
Christoph, my Intiano pay.
My wow share the beer. Ghana is there. My I had been far. You say yes, I have private schools in Ukraine. So we interview private school officer. So be a complaining. And see, and you say, Okojomo, my, who say, Obia di ni normal no eji ebua ope ase ye ni na kwa kwche o manteni patentisa obi dey say obi dey ka so ka ye uniform but who should be anyama no corner o man edin nti ye be say wo munye bi say kra reshuffle kra ye o man reshuffle ye so all the ministers are comfortable in their ministries. They are not performing.
Thank you very much. I want us to discuss specific and come idea concerning research no ne ba omianom ne ade no I want us to be specific. Enye general and you say ne omani mo ade no yate the sing song but in come idea sisia no and I'm best obe che wadwene wo ho yene Musa din komo yene Obribo Ahidin komo ene de atu dwa no. I want it to be specific. Mr. Moa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omani. Now, what is it?
Me ho your pa hwan ye?
Your friend Oscar, me kase free German of Sampa.
Oscar mami too.
Omani. Se nepa me hwe de Ghana for you ya. Na ye me nwanwo. Wo se Sampa de be ne Cote d'Ivoire boda bontuku.
Ha?
And now when say Cote d'Ivoire for Ghana omu import nyema free Ghana.
Cote d'Ivoire import nyema free Ghana.
Mena me katlo Cote d'Ivoire mo na utimi nto omo na ene omo fa bi free Ghana Cote d'Ivoire.
Oh.
Cote d'Ivoire ko hwa de nyema e koso Cote d'Ivoire no. Enti mitimi e ko hono ma na mitimi trase ya na me bibisa ho se adem se ye man Ghana. Bia de boni bia no ma bon na ka safa e man no ho. E di lo Ghana ye me ya.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, morning.
Pacho hwan
Pastor Ferry Williams, Mkasafri Achimbuntu Diase.
Oh, Achim Williams, it you.
Me Patona, Nipa, my friend, I was one touch that soon. Had a only go doing say I got a good one as well yesterday.
I'm so a man, no.
Patona.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pacho hwan
He did the anchromosis because that's free man so actually. Now, Mokomo Muje, first of all, Penida Mahamad, Yanki, and I gave it to that to Baumia, the Diado. If you're gonna for your year.
Yo, Yate, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me Pacho hwan
me Pacho, me Pacho, first of your family quadra.
Ain't you, Kwabna?
Yeah, I me Pacho, I papa na mo friend na. Ono so akwa research na afi wu busano no first come first serve wu no baby awko onyanko ye wu no wadi ka frɛ no etu no so onya abutre ni wono kasa no cheche wu anko man ka wo frɛ na ka so o ma research na kwa ya de nya min sraw wa ya de konto be ka sɛ okɔ radio so man na nkan fo me also mpanifo man kreti problems de ye di amon de atem ne ba na sɛ ye di u some questions am na ku gentia ukwaya research na no ma say true gane who do no say my papa no come to my friend and friend credit me that say
hello good morning
sir am I
sir why nie
maybe kwakwa waje me free kwa
enti anopai
the dynamic say am I the utie de Ghana for kan ya me ya boni ayefo hello
me tio kasa
Ghana, dear Dr. Baudu, Baumia, and Nakufari, dear, Obiano Betu, Abama.
Hello, good morning. Acho Henry.
Oh, my, Comoya, you do address.
Dear, yeah.
Hey, oh, my, Uganda Cravan can do.
In your name, Yamiamini.
Oh,
Comoya Casamienco.
Oh, my own Ghana, your researchers. I can't tell that one and a million. A human or your own man, who shall put enough. And then we'll see about the dinner on what. Oh, no, my boy, at times, officer will be factor. And man, metro, never metro, and the Ghana baby, I say, I do know. Oh, my chef, oh, my, yes, why is you? Oh, man, yes, why is it? And I sent my I didn't put you. You're quite over to be a baby, what's right with the baby. I like it with you for oh, my. Said the air canal. No.
and they said the echo man mind the most of focal school visa was in the quack to my bed. Oh my, the money for you, so I heard number here.
Hello, good morning.
Your man, American is a yes, the NDC MPP now, MPP be taller than NDC. Massimo.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Oman.
Maybe I try find you.
Femi Alama.
Ana free.
Make a free one.
Ain't you on pay?
We dear me ni. Oman. I didn't know. I like you. Mahmoud Baumi. I didn't know did I tell you. Mahmoud Baumi. And you more digana a communal. She a friend. I heard the pa. The meeting. No. Nema project bi nema bia nema bia Ghana men koso no meeting say the development projects no any manifesto na amay artists ne de ban NMY or think what the main idea say or project be say no man na to it yet say manifesto no kura de ban bi o mu 20% pay
okay
but we are so na me na de na to me nti
okay to you. That's what he says. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba cho ya no mo wa dwena ba ayi so ba maka hello asa on to me kan pa cho hwan die.
Wa cho be dia Hassan me kasa fi enkan.
O Alasa from nkan etie o.
Wa cho etie o she akwana wa be tutu apa so awoko. And I'm pressing the cancer.
Me too. Oh, sorry about that. Hello.
All right, in the morning.
Morning.
We are Dava Quati, Kumaja Tuesday.
Dava Quati Casa.
You make your man swan, or Mokanya, make your Manso Panaso. None video boy, I'm making a way out. Don't go in the pan, and come and penalty. I didn't talk for an hour to go. So. And you somehow will be telling you, and the other ones also are research on some Busadi, one of the top up. So that's a man, yeah, when I say Ghana, Yajin Woo. One my deal to me, you know, by you know, Bien won't disappoint you. What I say? Then you may Jana and I want, me may not run and have you came on penny and the commander, so I Ghana,
Zelensky, oh. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ye?
Me ba cho John Barnier.
From say?
You tell me John Barnier.
John Barnier from
Utasafield, Berman West.
Okay, my AT on pay.
Yeah, I just want to comment to my.
On the AT, my already on call for my TV, no why?
The better comment is there. How me no align by me na. When I have a concert. When to me why. John Mama na le bitin boy.
Okay. John Mama na bitin my boy. Hello, good morning. Hello. Pacho, una chat to me you free so na. Hello. Yes.
When you free so look man.
Asa wo gina so maka hello wonte.
Martin Fatemi.
Look, Mammy, too.
Maybe I say, na, mine now, friend, you didn't say.
Musa Damqua.
There one Casan, one cancer from Pan and Anna Casa, one Casa and good night. You know, when your platform can see, one or research, and you put some wisdom. That's why they have people doing that. You don't want me to say, Mr. And the castle of the community, and they are what a moon chat castle of the canoe, the one is for so the Guru, moon chat, Amofan Sandino, no one will fear a woman won't you. Again, research, you know, so bad. When one, before saying one more, you know, one of said, of course, never be Sanan was she, and to the open to Madano, or never do for person or Okono. Again. Oh, David.
Okay, Mammy phone see about on swamp meter, you know, Sia, Sunny Amenemo Kayano, and your name, Kumau MC, Kumau DC, Belgian Komo, Sanso so ena particular tia so ebebe fi ha ena the communication Ashanti region director Abdullah Salam and so Ashanti region also beba. Let's get the papers making news here. Yes, here with the Daily Statesman. It said 3.5 million Ghanaians to have internet access by 2023. Oslo Wusu is captured here. Debt sustainability stabilizes. Ghana records 2021 GDP growth of 5.4 to beat forecast. And then we are told that the World Bank is also of the view that Nyameya Adomoa, Ghana's debt to GDP, Ghana's GDP will grow by 5.5%. Economy, jobs, education, topmost priority of Ghanaians. That is what government releases 67 million to colleges of education. No, it go come. Okay. Then we get to the anchor. NDC NEC rejects Mohammed's request to stop Dufour. We are told that the NDC has rejected Mohammed's request that they should stop Dufour. How true that is, we don't know. African communication industry set for exciting future. Mega health work unites Takwa MPP. New Adome Bridge for trains near completion. Supreme Presby Church divided over new official mansion for moderator. NADMO meets stakeholders. Okay. NDC NEC. Okay. Then we have Daily Graphic. Education Ministry warns of sanctions. KNUST defers 6,000 students. That is the Daily Graphic. Can we take off, Anchor? Thank you. The Daybreak says EIU foresees slim NDC majority in Parliament. And then colleges of education have been paid 67 million. Now they can chop. The New Crusading Guide. Mahama dismisses EIU report over calls for a new NDC flag bearer. The Daily Guide says Mahama is it best for NDC. That is captured here. And who is saying that? The person saying that is Mohammed Abbas. Nana consoles Dak Howard Mills. Oh, that's a sad one we had. These are many more coming up. But Lawyer Fosu Asamoah, Executive Secretary, Labor Commission. Okay, hold on. Lawyer Fosu Asamoah, marching.
Yeah.
Now, Pomwe. Yeah, the Obadi Ase. Now, Wadaroma, Labor Commission, strike on neutrality allowance, Nabato and him.
Last week.
Now, Pacho Wadaroma, boy, Ghana for Adjunaya Cassane, neutrality allowance, no idea.
Okay, Ghana civil service, they are not supposed to be partisans. They are not supposed to do party politics. They are to separate. They are to remain neutral. It is all called the same cry. Said if you are teacher, if you are more bank, you nobody. Yes, so say more to me from home. If you say from home, I do be our own point. No more quiet teachers. I said, no more the moment you did. Let's say your mom will and I be if you don't know about neutrality allowance. Lawyer
for Asamoah, eti wunyini says media mafem. I stand to be corrected. Sadia way allowance we are here.
A lady meeting can want them. Many party to it. They are buying any civil service for and almost nothing on my con.
Na Ebrebe na binding tiaye acha na ase den
ye Labour Commission ye dey say the mudin kita ho adwuma wi ani adwuma e ko din kita ho na mo de mo sa cha say we eni e de bebo adwuma ne ho bra ye de be ye adwuma eni na ye be hye so obi a be di so enti se mo no de mo sa cha say de be hye so obi a be di so. Oh, say here, there. Only no matter.
Emre,
so much of Musa said, yeah, and your commission the rest of the edition.
Adama, Ebre Bena, Abino, a default here was a good tia, maybe I won't try and tia almost so a tear chain.
And woman, a better, you know, a almost Musa here, January busome ne da to so du ko.
Afia
19 January. Na all the ones Sasha Senate the South Africa no nti an bi fiase akakuliti fi January 1st e dey ba le mu no e ba di tuamu a obetua no February ending and almost starting a Chicago.
Afia
20% of their basic salary. Now, and on all say February ending, March ending, so March is not a couple of busy. It's a couple of busy. Tabayan Chia or Becky Town. If buying a year to suffer, a buyer name before a year, and we decent salaries commission, Ministry of Employment, and Ministry of Finance. Na omumeka wase tonka ene so ki bebi e wona uze ntutu ya kakra ho nti ye ma wona oche ai simra no wako kan no mu de abedan commission eye wukwada ebe nti omugu nkunya ti ho a omo ye no a miti ni trompi anopa bi si ya be one ena omu break in the boss 3 obo san e de sise nti nyema ya koso ya tete se bi no e de messages mo ko strike ne ene na mame asoma hu enye no kore ni hu ni ye fresh cross agreement almost they have not sanctioned the strike common kato bi an ko strike
okay
na letters na e ko round no e 5th April letter no that letter ne ba ye na nsa na commission ye do ma ye bi tuye na esi so ye kan asem no
okay
strike bi ani be bia
so obuguswa edidi nkomo
strike it will be anko adwuma.
Okay, na just say krata de da bonte no krata etwam.
Krata etwam.
Okay. Eti nkuada na woche da animu yi no na moso omugodi di nkomo no mo samra manim mebo a.
Omuguso nso di nkomo no. Omuguso ara. Ministry of Finance, Dr. John Kuma, Minister of State for Finance, and the Mama Bain, or the Chief Director of Finance. The finance minister anyhow, Minister of Employment and Labor Relations, National Bafua and Sutinubi, only the Deputy Bright Rekundobi, and the Chief Director, Living Sending for Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, Chief Executive, Engineer Ben Atta, any lawyer from Pennyfunaki, Timbiki, I'll be Papa Fimaba, until you'll be unquestioned. There is no strike.
Lawyer for Sasa Mohamed Asi. Okay. Na aban we cry ya no pen ho asemo. So to we usika kra wo ho kire. Na February ya wo say closak for sisi ye nya amanyosem dia. Moma ye mpata sika 20% of our basic salary. Enti se nipa no oje 1000 Ghana, udi 200 Ghana e ka ho ama no. Say onyama yourself. Why the catch us cross that for onyama yourself? Ko office so na ko
me kai say.
Ene na ukopa ho asem sa. February yawo eni ho. Enya de ho utie papa ya. February ya no magi atum. Eti jom jitum January no. February ending. No mo he ni mu se beba. March ama ena April mo so na ye kika ko mutum se manti o mo tie tua. Na me tie anum yi. Na me ho so a wo se oya amanyosem na wo de ye ma kwa ma onye teacher ni timi ye crossack for the muntimi nyentie ma mo mpata se ni pa no ye crossack ni no be so ya amanyosem a on resign no ko ya amanyosem ohini bia no wo member of parliament wo esire emre asusu obedi hine wanya na hini angu o ankwa di hine
police ni bi kra so sa
police ni ayi di kwa say madam fo tobu madam fo pa no ye ni di nkomo pa tobu jaya adwuma ekodi etu obi a member of closac no officer edu pempenso obi obeso ya amanyosem a he has every right to resign.
Sure.
But I was saying ye dey asem keten sem amonya amanyosem ntino ye nimpa civil servants a omudi party sechi civil servants a omudi party sechi omo aban ba aban foforo ba transfer ne dey punish omo What is the meaning of this? Family call a grata animuna yanko.
Yo, Omahine anope yada sema yanko Democrat animu na afeso nsemo a anope Democrat ano de nam no yemfa emunsam no entudwa. Akiola momfa dairy graphic entosoma me ene anope yi. Na anope me mafa dairy graphic animo sei no. Ana waka asembi na sama waka nyina ekere se sade enema esi kono eno a ye kire mu se aban no ye nuanom a wo gentetiye ewo schools ahodo mu se wo kena bi wa be ya kyerɛkyerɛfo no aduane ho nsam ayeden e de ma ne nyina no eye sika aban no wo so gya sika mu ekɔ sebe ya ho batimi ahen ha mo na nkwala nso anya asomdue asua o made ho asam aban no de aba ya wo kyerɛ 67.9 a million Ghana cedis and a yesika wajemu ediama atrane so omunye na afenso omfa mo sa abra no enu achi omahine said the wudi nkomo anopai efa kwame nkroma suapon no ho no enkwada a awofo ne ahwefo de sika mo musa monye na afenso bi di bi ye business ne ada ayi no eho asam anopai krata yi so ediaba unya bi a eho nsam nyina soso no wode ebetu dwa na wode ma nsam pi na anopai dere graphic edinam na ne nyina no de fa enwuma sua eho ana wode Dr. Yawo wasai adutwum so emfoni aba osofo a wohwe enwuma sua ho ensam so ana wotre se atana no bokokobi na eyede kokobo a wunya no pai Democrat wato de dere graphic a munsam wode bema ho
memfa anko so ntoa so a ene na anko ni nyina da ene obehu mi papa yewura John Dramani mama ofosu ampofo ne papa kwabredufo wonum fo ni gu akire asem ni nyina da anko na eka o se yewura mama eden krata akoto na eka anim se nkebe ya papa kwabredufo a wono so ahwe benkum ahwe nifa egina na hwehwe mu ahwe nanim se wohim frank adema ni disi amanyoko ebe ye nke stop no na chese wono nkwanko no posu na no wo kirem sakra na eka anya ntum na sa asem ya nukuro anya nukuro ne anko ene wo kasa asem no anopai ne ezu kopiem takwa any pipi amanyoku aka bom na ene apomuden atretren wo ma ye bi pa de nkabomu kase nso de aba ene yesi adrome bridge ensam so kase no wo ma ye bi anafa ene etekeche ene ebe fa so se gregregregregre ne yesi ene akato ne bro no ade nyina da so
mo ye wi ebe kama pa ebe fe pa na afi o matimi aya na keteke no mi hu amawu owai
aso no so aye din
sane na jogate ama keteke Jim from our Ghana, Yano. I said, oh, no, buy a be a honum one. And one did another where is a flag over one. Oh, I'm before the men.
That is a brain, no me patches.
I trouble say,
yes, I am one mine. Me, I'm a pussas others, anyhow. Ah,
no fear no pan and I do be dear memo a confiance.
O mine,
would you mean a reshuffle?
O mine, Rana. Sebio o mahine dia na ye hunu na ye different no reshuffle ankasa no ansa no mampani be take decision so ye reshuffle no enkomo a ekoso wo fam ho no ye bo hu an say
cabinet
o mahine
cabinet o mampani kufo Atamils the late John Mama etiade nanado we
different o mahine reshuffle ankasa say basisi ya reshuffle basisi no
I believe say
take the direction
Sadio nanado dan kokufado me ade ba ko me hu say ne hawo no say wo mo boa no ma ne ba ban mu no loyalty na didi timu dodo enti se di pa ne yabone kra say anya say bia Ghana for na be so ma no a na nka ye ka asema kwa ajima menu health minister and kabadi this was so kwa jira ho me ye won panifo bebre wa ban ni mu a o se koma jioma ho me
old horses
omo da so ho ebi e bo chairman ebi e hwan she
am ye tutu ayi asheda
asema me ka no kwabre
aduma na dem mo kra mo
kofo ho hwade obi ti sesafo mafo woye branding wo MPP o resafo no ma ne kontra fie kra ma na aduma bi Damboche Kofi Klodo aprekumo nana do ko kufa do na mu kra wa ma na mfa na aduma nto 2007 nana do should be bold
and beautiful
Twasumare
and a new crusading guide so memfa no ya asem wo na new crusading guide and wo bo man ye Yera John Dramani Mahama ni mfo nyini da ha and ye wa pagya no ring say ya no de kire no se hwe iya you for report no am koye de ba he no me dem sa be nku ma bot wagu say ya and what the ring ne kire and wa pagya ne nsa and wo chi no wo bo man ye wo ha say Ghana for be se million no miensa akiri podnum na abafo ntentafidie no internet efiri nyame adom a afia ye ba besimu no wo mo so ebenya mu akonya na afi wotumi ade ade dwuma eno na new crusade guide obokrata no wono so edinam
okay ene mamemfa daybreak nto aso momfa daybreak nto so emfa emame na wotwe mu ya din komo bebre ne nyina no eye yiu omo hwehwe mu a omo de aba na anopai the bokrata wato din daybreak na ebo amane bi ewa hasei na asiese no yewura Ben Efson ay baba we so de so de bi kra de ne dankwa de kra ya yo
Oba Ben has been credible for a while.
They are okay bia Ben Efson that is right they are okay bia they are okay bia you de no mo de aba no mo tese omo hu no tia bisa in the pipeline say NDC de kwa bia so no majority in parliament omo de ya omo so e de aba eno no asemo me di kan 67 million Ghana cedis ekọ e de maye nuanu mo gentete ya try na de aba ntimi nse da nka ho asem bi nsem bebre ka ho anopai daybreak democrat no e de nam tipe bito
supreme dia wade ba no pay na we de me ho adwiri me obi be se me ho awose che ntoburu basre fo ya nka bi nhemu o ma asore ba na metie yes ye papa moderator ni dan bi akosi ama no na asore ni mu achemienu e ba asre ne manso e mu nyai mu achemienu sese mo mane nkotene mu anambem na tene mu ye no so ho asem krata yi wa ha na de hie wo yi bi ene wo mu kirem sese ba bi a wo no te ade hie ne bebre adwane yes ye ko bi di my time global heredity housing won ma ko feminante e na abeto ahye wo no so ene ohun abukire da egu wa we sabo we na me se Russia for eso mo ba ye di be hia wo mu no e ya bo pa to me say enya azam getu I was ya
David abo ni bi kokungola ba me bi titi akosia na me ne eboso enche all ministries adum eboso na te say
o ma hene nyame adum o
eboso na ukodru ministries no cracks my for no ba aduma
o ma hene yanchia osompa etiefo na some media me wo adum eye ministries for no ma na some media enya nstem en rebeto dwa say aduma ku ana say Ghana aduma yefo mo no eye ewa banwuma ahoduo mo na mo hwe say eye amamuo wo nkron ketua mo no ebetimi akoyie no yenya nka say some media o ma tiatua efa wo mo ketua ho nsema na say allowance bi a o mo pa ye fe no neutrality allowance awoni owura kasa ya wo tire mo say sankofo no ye nkofo ya hye mo say mo mfo mo ho enye amanyosem mu de no nti na aban na say wo be ma wo mo allowance kakra wo de be pata wo mo e wo ho na samre de aban no entia enka sa ni tire mo say enka no ane de samre ni komati atua enke be ba wo mo adwuma mo no nko bia eni ha anope me ba bedru ha me ko nkontrehwe ministries ha no no e wo mo say Ghana adwuma mo no adwuma sa ase 8:30 abra meche no woche apemu no na Ghana adwuma bia asase me bedru han offices bia na yatotum wa hanom a yemie bia na me bo modern so call Closac asye ya no ne Asante Regional Secretariat ewo adum ho so kokohwe se ne ehositie me call ho so offices e wo ho nyina yatum na me wura mu na me nya owura ba ko na cheso no no echem se wontimi mfa ne din entuja isan se empanimfo ewo honom na emomo no no de ntia waba asye ho ano papa sa abre die na also twen say krata be free national headquarters close at one penny for ho wa Accra aba into aba be gina aba office anko obekwe say mail mu kra no omo de letter bia tum na so hwe mu na be sisa abre de onya letter bia na bibia nso ena edi ma omo hu say ene de no omo ti atua wo saa omo allowance omo pa aban no entia ma omo into oman wo ba close at ahye ha ya bibia sanko so ministries offices de ya tutum na so yenhu say omo de bibia say omo akọ strike and say
na so by this time there 7:45 ebia ye be office 8 but cleaners by 6 no ma bia omo cleaning why be office ti atutuma na just say omo ama adwuma na
omo ye ntimi nkansi so say e bia omo ma adwuma na me wa han ma me twen ahwe say bia bebo 8:30 no so ni ahwe say ne
ene wa twen mu ma me why okay akosia
yentu aso femfi
bosso ba me
na daily guide obokrata no na mafei na daily guide na ohini ni
alo wana mami why kasa
daily guide no pa mane no yira mama Mohammed Abbas ono so ni fo nyini da hawaye political scientist and wo bo amane say mampanyin da da Yero John Dramani Mahama and ye won so na Franka Tuni di edi bre no foforo ba betena so na wo ye de mandisi anka beboa papa ama ndc amanyoko no won matumi akomanim MPP so na e kire say EIU won report won de bai no won ma na wa etu won ma gye atum say yemfa enya adwuma na mampanyin na danko akufu ado won so ni fonyi da ha na sofo he won mills wo chia ne nsem wo se kafra wate ye ma yakọ mo nhyeden abusuafo bibia betumi akoye di amamo na enche honom no krata fansia na wo ba amane se mob justice bi akoso nipa dom bi akwa kire gu nipa bi so anka won mo ekokuno eno no ho asem wo da ha no mpanyifo kire se won ma kire nipa num wo ho a eno no aposifo ekwakohwe na wodi ho dwuma daily guide the obokrata no ene de namo.
Okay.
Oh my emphasis.
All right, thank you very much. About nonso apa home meet eduananso. Na monya so na muntie me. Ene say nia ekoso nyina majosema ekoso nyina no eye say amanyo bia tia wo petumi no abedi oman no so. Nanka botaye kese ni nyina ne say di obedi so no obeye ama oman no empuntuo ene temamufo no kankro every 2000 Jerry John Rawlings exit here Jay Kufuor baye 2004 2008 oba beko na Ghana this year yekutama kutabrantan sa waya memo poto Emma Yewura Mills no akon imprensa so ebedi ade ya to no imprensa so ye kopie mu otan edidi mu a obaye he was the first in the history of the Fourth Republic to achieve what is called single digit inflation sabra na kwabena do for and they all pay to 2 franca no ye finance minister almost to niama 2012 Fofia Antwata papai e kanchini gui omampani abedi ekire John Dramani Mahama ebedi ade osumi nsiachi Ghana for here said there be eji adwane free ni nsem a emoa e wo se ema no toa enwuma na omampani aka nchine go no otoa so ti bi mo se sympathy votes boano na Dankwa Akufo-Addo antiase on MPP omo tamasem no de kopie Supreme Court yensom no Supreme Court de beto abonten say omampani John Dramani Mahama ye to abama no to muni man na afide e twem oye de obetumi samra ni mu a na nkane adundum yi ni ti ama ahokyira Ghana for famu atete Ghana for famu te druma bi Ghana for ka kire omo ho say da bi ye ma to aso a baby ade oman ne beko no emwaye ti Ghana for nyina aban bia ni ho no nko agina brane after 2000 omampani Kufuor agina brane 2004 ono obi anko no onya 52%, which means Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo had a goodwill of Ghanaians. He took 53% of the votes cast enyade ketwa. Going into 2020 omampani John Dramani Mahama say unity ebe ka kire omo say Ghana foi eye na da na MPP for the year day e de data mo omo pam mo Ghana for si da bi ni Dankwa Akufo-Addo aye free SHS ne ma bi no ye fi say e mema na to aso be busa o eye mfie nwotwe a parties no die no ena omo si da bi mfie nwotwe nti na na do nto aso ana na na modern na dwuma ani ede ne to aso ana mfie mienu pay to abama no ewiase asesa ebi mo si da bi na 2019 no na niema kra na yehunu say ya na ebi edwirigu anya covid ntra ebi mo se covid na Dankwa Akufo-Addo nyamfaso 34 billion Ghana cedis samra no obi enko baunti no dollar ankosoro was a sense cano de akofa de enti dollar enya hoten e depreciative the cedi just about 3%. Sika bo man mu na doso enti covid sika no de na ban no de ye ukon 2019 na oman no sika ene bosia ya bo no de kabo mu a debt to GDP no na 62%. You do 2020 ending 2021 na do 76%, which means say no cresa covid and so Emma Ghana ya busia born in sem no sika ye koje no 100% no sesia debt to GDP is about 83%. The Chinese says our 100 Ghana cedis amortization eniama aso also ukotia ene busia ho si ho ene sika editia akatua ne ade ukabo mu a ohamo bu pen ade owotwe miensa 83%. Ena Ghana yenya sika na 100 cedis emu 83 ye de koja sa ne ma we de ka yensem 17 cedis. 17 cedis no so abani so obeyi akwan a oyi ni we. Jabani so the e-levy ba ohia 6.4 billion. Edi abede abe gigana fo sika. Esan say oko online a ohini ni eton niema online. O send sika ma no send kama wontua sika bia. Me pese me twe sika free me am account mu de ba me hono ma manko bank enti ma twe say sika no me di me djuma me ntua ehu ayi bia enti abane de electronic levy e-levy e ba betete. No agisika no Ghana for bebre say there be yampene because e-levy no say me salary already at me income tax next year the fa ho mame a me sendi bi ana me de to ade a yesat me enti akwai say triple fourple quadruple fifth jeopardy enya double mpo ye taxi ade ba ko be edu asenum ti Ghana for bebre akasa ekoye nchinu ahyo ntokwa ne ade ya pass by 1st of May. I was say e-levy be adwuma. Why ye krado onye krado ye betew. Na ade akọ. Amammo na asesia na Danko Akufo-Addo ebuo no. Eye nkyeremu na omuma Ghana fo nte ase anase amammo no ano wo mu hunu tokrom fa idea man hyem. Ana kasa omu kasa bebrebe opposition no ena ato omu. Professor Ademensa former Gimpa Penny or say Atoba umia say next time Osho ne kasa ye. Because when you're economics and you mix economy with politics, the reality will dawn on you. And yes, Baumia enye good. He's one of the best economists. Nemom amanyosem no de fry yenuntino. Afe nyama no hi ha afe nko yie no no. Ena akoba te say akoye te say hey. Wan kanokre na emom ko no de enko ya de pa. O said the digitalization nyama wa ya. Sha ena DVLA ena Ghana card ebeda hoyi enche bia he uhia say ubako DVLA akọ renew, you can renew your card. Here ayi kanena adum subi health insurance. How much on 9? Na mama for swap bus free ayi no ma be guo ye be health insurance. And then who call how be have because health insurance for any adwuma. Because tifia omo kai code be say *701 oba renew the card or train sika. Call the metro no. And then a GPS address system. Ujina bebia Google utumi send obi say me wa ha ye to niema nipa ne de beba ofie. Which means he's modernizing the economy. Na mom kasano what did I mention no? Assembly nyina say Google for they have had this map in operation. But the GPS address system has also come to help in a manner. Because me why can be a GPS address system mine na momo Uber for omo use Google. But on the spot as to exact positions here they know aboa. Adiana ne say and to say aban no hye no e ho da rubo nko. And as o kasa pi so a na eto Ghana for trima you don't come back and tell Ghanaians say hello yeah I can't no way nobody will listen to you. Amai mo ayedin ya humfo ni wa brochire say Ghana nyina ayedin ya humfo ni say Cote d'Ivoire na obi frɛ was ne Cote d'Ivoire for to mo free Ghana mum kɔ because send yes to niemem ya maame no mom Cote d'Ivoire bebre cra frɛ me say omahene ada no si Cote d'Ivoire wo be hu de niema Cote d'Ivoire si a ho bedwiriw eniema ginsem ho. But a man for the Cote d'Ivoire, are they complaining like us? Yes. Are Nigerians complaining? Yes. Why? Because their expectation in the government. Me wa say oh hinini e kasa. Na me nim say oh hinini betima ya de bi. Me expect Kwabra Kase say e wo so otimi ye niam bi. Na Kwabra Kase ntimi nya. Me bufu na nya say onya de o. Na mom my expectation in near Kwabra Kase me nim so betima ya onye no. Ghanaians are angry with Nana Danko Akufo-Addo's government because the kind of faith, the kind of ahotoso munyama no. And ya no muhunu. And so people are calling say, there are some of the ministers who are sleeping on their jobs. There are certain people who are acquire square pegs in round holes. Yet, because Oboa me mame ba ba muntino. I have said this and I'll say it again. Shesewanya a stronger chief of staff, a solid one to stamp authority on certain things. The reason is this. MPP somebody like Ajasafo Ishui. If Kojom Pieni was the chief of staff. Kufo time. Yenim krano. Oye minister. Only one say. Obecha take it say. Utupai. Without any notice. MPP for catch up semboa. Your mama or started with Prosper Baini. Chief of staff. Na niyaman koye. Eno kofa Julius Debra. Oba no. Or stimulating niema. Even though now no, you could see say projects in niema no things were going according to not according with according for. So if you have a chief of staff, no I'm a chief of staff no any anyetia no am any anyetia. Na koye jatuane ye pacha people within the Jubilee House will rule at his or her expense. Because Kojo Pieni Ajosafo minister waji live saa besin there. Se abrada pa ena ehwe na so ye ma no. Kone kobusa school feeding for amani omuhu. School feeding can because on any was sanitation. It's just an oversight responsibility. It's here be a whole week, 2 weeks, no see ho. E wo mu anu aba be show back no ko. Aduane ademan kwarare di no ma me for mo ye anuane no. Omo ye women organizers of MPP. And it won't to me kasa, but they are crying. Why should one person hold a whole ministry say oh yare no home for no to leave? Now it will take a chief of staff to go and beg her to stay outside according to Canada Japan for 30 minutes. Now a rare way to honomona your mama meaning chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana. Afebe we are here Canada Japan say also man 1.2 billion. Now just for so this guy little hon no ya the private jet ko for the fra brochure ba obedu also on my parliament okodu na bamba benko. Now it will have to take a chief of staff to beg. Somebody should excuse me. I don't know. And you see, when you do this, you embolden your ministers and your chief executive officers to misbehave. And the young man that time sika was here, and the akoye near maybe a person here because who say yet na be obetima ko chief of staff no apacha amano. Kojo piani be you di class ana je kufuate. Yes, because I was so country home. A man who ya thing. Because onuna all coordinating. I have to say coordinating director of Ghana. Eti ministry bia huniema no. E was on a shese koso. He's the chief coordinator. You are as good as your chief of staff. I'm telling you. So one kuta afnanu mu ye. Sa chief of staff afnanu. Chidom no so one kuta ni ye. Penino obey naked in the public. Ghana, your man penny. Ababa wa ba kutimi kotna ewiase yesi efen tenten abefun tenten fidie so say your man penny ni twempena. Now the whole world channel. Where is our security? Where is our national security? We're exposing our president to public ridicule and the whole national security. Nobody is doing anything about it. And this woman freely is just destroying. A baby son, no, be a conform and penny your mama and funny near the good animasi. Can you do this in America? By the time I wanted to talk, no, so crown you crown, now crown. Jesus Christ. We are naked, but we don't know. Jesus.
But I did say what denta.
It is sad.
I did say Domiko Benya. Mamina Gumani Mwase.
Hey, Joseph.
Yes, big time. O mine, I know minim sadia usitie. Because let me follow Biana Fida them. Minim said the Uzi Kawasem. Say, I dare say what Domiko Benya pa. Me a sure say Bianca radio be now yes or do I mean something here you would. Because I said them in Nimo no cow them I'm in over Canada.
Ah, na me that's Asma making. Asma making. Come now. Tainting was any pabako. A whole constituency. A whole constituency based there. And there were dear partner Dominic Cobinia for which Macase Ecoso. A dear Ecoso. And the whole gender ministry. I share a money and quada. Ye, you're so. Obano down on the side home papa until a jahoko. Why did leave Usana president to Kusu Gantini leave? Now MPP as a party. Musumu saw jacket Tiata Bruce. And we sit there. And to omit one man officer Wamemonya. Obeka.
Based on the
because of this.
Yes.
So you don't come and explain yourself. What reason? What is your reason of explaining to me, say? I was a minister for almost a year on core office.
Now we are not catching me.
Now to be Sakino.
It's very
Jesus.
bad. It's very bad. Oh, so some way by you.
And when you do this and people say, "Say my memoria," oh, say they because near my own, Aquana Uye no, and then near mano. Canam so you be who. Then, when it comes to the human aspect of it,
yes,
say, I quite to say, I said some weakness in government. Obia to me and your baby. Obia to me, near my fa who dear be coso. You have shown your weakness. One minister holding a whole party at ransom. Now, deputy chief whip, majority chief are not on praise. And I have Breno, and who say? I deal with her, Mammy Casamcho. Or in his Obakaya 2020 elections. Getting to the latter part, there were former MPs in NDC, Omukojina Independent. I said, don't get ya fakrata. About 40 something of them. Oh, you are ready. Oh, you are ready, you know. And was Sunday crossing come out party member be I say. Wow, what do you back or come? Sahono. Yeah, you are ready. I don't know, board, yes. Independence for Bakuano Mutimi Nedi. Ay, as I'm on 4 crap, I don't know. I said, don't get out of me. He was able to sack them, and because of that, it reflected in the elections. When you have weak leaders, that is what happens. I don't think that this time, I'm telling you, say MP before Nima, Sajidiana and Crawford anywhere Jomame Muno. Omufi said they don't have a choice. It's the next alternative. There is hope in Jomama. Saudima, I'm telling you, people feel say wakotena fie sunya bibi.
Yes.
It will be timasisa. So if you are there and you think you're MPP and I kind and ya hey, abambia no me kwan o. Abambia no me tu ensio o man kania mayo. Se o ma ban for chire Ghana for me Israel for.
They will punish you.
Ghana for o mo Israel for. Ntina preke se Israel ni Ghana kwan no. E kom de o mo kakra bi o mo refi bibia. O mo tumi to abawie no o manu o mo ho. Now, by the time I will be bound, no more two. By the time I will be bound, no more two. It is a motor one of your movies and more bemu. Now, what Tomo? Obi to me casse, and near memoir thing. A war, a jasso. Not a Greek minister saying a year in country and so cool just near memoir thing.
But dear Betum cried.
Now, what were you on the deciding my Ghana for? Why he I think minister I didn't decide to send them up boy the answer na Ghana for we send them up boy. Now we know near me just so sika send on to me talk. Ti say I Greek minister na ka tell me say we didn't can tell we say and near my boy the we just so Ghana for na. We didn't Ghana for. You see
over 30.8 million now you
see
Yastek says, say, what are you trying to tell Ghanaians? Oh, my nose has asked me, my dick account.
Yes, and if you don't correct it, you will go to opposition and cry.
If indeed he said, almost correcting Yama, Emrin Koi, and one son and Naikufuado, or didn't I be from loyalty, way up Boame, way Jina Mechi, Intino. Some me ye dino only start the free. Now on funny Nancy from Nadia Ghana for be air cannon. On tie a near on bet me as a son on ya dear be a casse, yet to me yet. Oh, they can do it in Jomunya. Now as Mujemra, cause the address of Fuye, and ya address of an Kwani and people for the best of far. The consequence. Drum Quabina for they say almost so when the general one can be my woman. Chadwa safodi adwa judase ade awo ye no ya jane trokano obi nim de ewom
but let me ask you this ansa na meja makono I raised the concern Closac for sikai e was etua
o ma de say nyu omo nko na ya ban nipa e was omo ye neutral ye nim very well say ya dwuma ye yikura no ma hene so ba ye adwuma na som ye listeners na ye viewers na
also gira fifi
e ya de wo bia nim say omahene ye neutral nti omahene say wo dan finfiri nti wo se etua woka oh adan omahene Ghana ye wi a ne ye ankasa ye hwe ye nkurase amamu ni ho mpuntuo ho nsam kora na say ne city amamu to the doorsteps of the people omahene ye kwa ye nkurase amamu ni mpuntuo na omahene say kora na esi ko ye bo aban ne ka o sector bi wo ho a e bo aban ne ka a bar binding to the sense, some me Kwabena Cassi, me Juma ewo Closac. Me decide some me Juma ewo Closac, no Kurana, minya politics, active politics all the time have to remain say, me neutral intino. What's your Jamaica? There be. Oh, my dear, how politics now a serious business. One aspect here, a bind was someone and Nico Pires sector no, but yet to this.
If you buy
any pass happened that way. Yeah, wait to know.
Compare Juma, your foul as chief director, civil service, or chief director of Ministry of Finance. Yes, it was some of my Ghana.
Yes,
and some party. Say, a baby Musam Besame Yaman, your Samoa. And then see me say, or some castle. Another, me fee say, a bind way, me Besame de Monco Patanuntino.
Yes, peacefully have to resign.
That is Ghana a kwanya also be able to me aye. Etia him for no ni busao. Embrace and the say chief should not be part of partisan active partisan politics. Yet you amuka because of that and busa. Eti ohime na say onye ahimfo nyama nyosem ya kan pay emra no crash and the I'm asking, are we paying chiefs because Emrana Simo Munya active politics? Nintis are buying a say I'm for near Amanyosem to your chap allowance be my home.
And one where or mine was here. What a Koswa complaint was I did. What was I am for
what your magic some the Bema February. Edison, I tell Nano, Ghana for our mind, yet more thing to do.
Debut,
Ono
Sophie say, Ono Sophie say, Abino. Abino Yano Quafo to the point say, Wakasi betia be memorandum of understanding the Bracoso, Omuntia. But why should the government even accept such a thing?
Because
say more allowance for being neutral.
Well, my own pa buying crop for the Sumi so my the Crontia, one Quaji Sam Lanitum, Unyawum. I'm Unim, I don't pay me who you know. Not what I know, me who you know. Producer tries to be now in Sankaum. Me who I know, Pano, no imagine you say neutrality, no, yes, something different. But right now, no, Yane, Asamoah, Labour Commission, over somebody didn't come on. Dear me, no one watch them say. Yes, see, a crime was also a Moyaman yourself. Yes, now a quenya no enya ma yentino. Young person Moyaman yourself, the Momo and Patesica. Yes, Ghana software. Yes, Momo Yaman yourself. I was out buying more Patesica. Now, him for no swear. I am for no crowd, your mono, they are the custodians of our lands. Yes, trustees are. A chrono and some year there, how many a quarter hour. It's almost the Comukabia woman pa. Yes, Momonia. Sika sana buying Tiama almost say Munya active politics in Tino. Yeah, Mamo, Pesua, we say Monfando Jomo. I buy the Momusika, and even Cronomokra the Kakra say, be a project become a cost or Massas and so. I buy no crono, and to the be a buy no moon come up. O my won say e ade ba kwa mpempiri ya na tama project bi ka wuramu o my minim say bi asase we won hedan for ni hwe ya ade bi tama project ka wuramu e bi o my hwe wo constituency ho no me na me ye wo hene wo ho e bi anka ban no so da ye se bi o pese obeye bi a toilet wo ho e bi kwa that time your toilet ni hia oh na say dynamic can me see rural development yeah Professor Chei me see brass band keke o mo to hene so atua brass band o e kro na di ho no if I say a tia hometown, if any tia back also the I can't say a jokum for oh, he didn't ma or more, and not tall brass band mouth. And a tia for yes, see a giant toilet in Bibia, Obiam Coso. Adaya, a jokum for Jom guess. And you may born almost the brass band Nissima, na tia for money in our quadracum. And almost and man on the call, he feel, oh, he didn't tell him so development. And Obusa almost said, then on pumps on per brass band. I don't much brass band, yet in the Janaima near be a new toilet. So in rural development, you don't take stand in Accra and say, and impose a crowway, Omuya. 2-bedroom a brand new priority. When you do that, you fail. Yes. And that is what is happening in a lot of government. They sit there and take decisions for the people down here. That is why this 1 million one constituency eba. Na come on for any Japan so ya mutu. You toilet almost see in back awie. Pascal. And the toilet now also see amami na unwie no. Me dey. Ohini ni was me go see me to onwuram. Anya na me ka kire won.
Ghana, yeah, Daniel Waba. Okay. Yeah, fair judging crowd to your bar. My baby, for not say what you come with your tia. Now, at your crew, your crew. Most of your
21st clinic say a bus sciatica no. Every will see Simo Conwa or twice a honor in Trina, Fauslim, Equasu, Nancy Hono. A bobet to me to Tuama, Uancasa, what you baby and ye. And the 21st clinic, woman a year sciatica expert. Ewa Ghana ha. Woman dear be drew, so we be drunk casa. And a best now, I don't know the machine I come home. Ya dear be draw count near side what to machine so. Ya say your massage be a herbal treatment. Ya dear one amount. A sciatica 21st clinic na expert. I will to say Ghana have baby our more. What Obuase, we be 21st clinic. What Obuase Council Quarters. What Obuase Court Junction wa. And a Kumasen so here who do session so we near Jaboso or more. So Yanini Winchini baby and Kranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
if you rest day bio
ewura show ka say ye na want to plot da what
nkama no ntuma ni amfa ma me so
emra foforo abani wo yare 1 week na ho nto wo a metu afirifia esan mempa gon too soon bia ofia
enti sisi ye yare aye nya den
monko Grace Gifts Herbal Clinic sabe kwata achacha ne emu mpa ho a yare bia obesa ye furo so apart from Kumasi ohim ane atwuma kofodua wa be bie branch ka sie power chimota petroleum bungalow family life school opposite ho a
Grace Gift Herbal Clinic Dr. Grace Wood edano ne de e no kre wa ben pa
awo na wo penes wo mo duro ne wan hwe ya wo be hu mienu asemiensa bom prostate ulcer cancer typhoid stroke diabetes ne hypertension no nyina e ye ni fichire wo ya bema na bema ni so Dr. Grace Wood no e ya to ne nsam e di adibeduru asoso ama mu apagya ya kasi dudu de duru size awa wo pa no stop no ene mi ko pagya mi de mu kakra
Udi pagya minim Grace Gift Herbal Clinic ho mo one phone numbers here 0246 518 003 and 0244 126 123 FDA aje dwedin kratei atum
Sumpa 93.1 Sumpa FM.
Okay, welcome back to the studios of Sumpa 93.1 live on Facebook. Join us there now this morning. Now, share for others to also be part. The studios has already been hot, and I have in the studios, just as our apologies to Loyal Leto, I have in my hand, and this time I have it in front of me, Patrick Atia, Oye Kasamafo, Emma Endis was Santimantemha. Now, we know Kasemenyanti, say, well, unity say communication, you know. Ono so kopre dwano na ono atoto niema Patrick Atua so 10 coordinator kesia omo ba pro toto niema se de beya womo ye university mrante ne mabawa no omo otwajimka Patrick Akwaba
oma mejo so
esi ya che bajo u no kire sei
mi wura ha mi ho adwiri mi
adai
abuzafo ese wani na nsa okache se me kan on beka se bia me exaggerate ete se omo Ghana tourism for omo yi tourism places omo de Sumpa studio kan
na mbehade
na kamanfo be odi ebra na table na yete ani musa ye ship wo se ye on sa na de la foche bi no se ye na de la foche ni bi o se ye de yo oh wow abuza form odi say the music can say a TV so nka camera for ne betwa mama for ahwe bia no mo say enye exaggeration
akima me full view now about for say maybe I answer nchire kan for
this is a modern studio like you mawura studio Kumasi studio bi en hami ngura
oh yes
every studio Kumasi I can sit here and say mati ba bia adi ba bia
kuma udi share ajekum ono aso na ye aban esi anamu ni wo ho me mo ache mo akwa na ho to say
me ranya me adom ho ye ya feel na me de I think you took part
na pacho di ma de Rocky Mr. Fanning laptop no tinanim how ba ye ma on fa wo laptop mana ubie mie ya the laptop esi wanim eti edi nkomo na no se opese o ye o researcher no ma che enche bia no anama ye betuo ne se screen na ye won touch screen no bibia beda dinti o kasa o ba se ya na okuta documents na wo gina ho no mo to figures na opese wo di e de kasa no na di go ho me ye nyina ye dey hwe eti no edu enche bia no oba studio no asiesie hu ye
ye be presentation
enye se o be ba be kan asem sa
ye be defend thesis
o de oni ma ne ba
ye be defend thesis
e go ni edi what se what trasia na what tras se o be ka eniema wom enkomodie ni nyina ne se Abdulsalam Aba ono se ni laptop ye dey esi nanim Entino Munyana Mufa Patiketia so de ma no. Wow. Dabi bacho we ya na dia o dia ma o.
Wo hu bi da. Say what ko studio a.
Omo de ba.
Ya ma on laptop say laptop no. Say o pesa wa say.
When you want to Google now
first time in the history of Ghana.
Oh yes. It's never happened anywhere in this nation.
Nyamisha.
We want to give
and I thought that what wa. ubenya ananka wo search ade but now we kwa o phone bi kwa na we need data especially opposition for yi but we kwa bi kwa na need data
how opposition ho ya ho
duabo opposition duabo say who twam na who opposition ba na betimi adwane a anya de papa o
anu tina mo ha na mo pekwan abafie no
ade papa bi any opposition enti mu de MPP for na ya na mtwe mu din na wiase de enipa nim
unfortunately any who be face opposition wa ha because laptop that one me data driven scientific issues na over evidence based it is all try my bona here
no try me more
let's continue from here ya to chin command pay na anopa abrante bi amoa me musa dankwa minim se na muti no the latest research out the betuja. Now my friend now me boa no senka omoye na omaye analysis because here you for any more de aba no de Ghana for crowd bebre atogu say your mama can never be changed because to them to Ghanaians he is the next option. It's a better near you know what do you know free wa ono so de de abetuja say omo call your research no your mama stands a better chance more than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. To be say mommy why now because me person nemo we are doing coma we don't want to just do any pedestrian analysis we deal with facts here so the bear the casa any research be our be our near the thing come on. Thank you very much. So we're looking at the issues. We're going to election PNC for omo ebe call omo elections akoyi penning for the atuja KNUST over 6,000 students deferring courses for non-payment of school fees and no there but you see aban no there we sika e the ama College of Education 67 million say they can be fed and they no so e wo ho no mo but what stands now ne say election 2024, as a my, we are having just about 2 years ahead of us. It is heated. Is the MPP bringing Bawumia? Then the research says that Mahama stands a better chance. Almost Alan Badia, Alan stands a better chance of winning than Bawumia. Can we believe in this report? Ben Evans also the Abasa, he sees a slim margin of winning for NDC. And I no pay. I remember no, anybody determined. Say Bawumia betimi stand the test of time, because people see him as part of government taking major decisions when it comes to the economy. Can they change the fortunes of the MPP with the economy? Send your cities this year. Global trend and also. You betimi a year free. The Bawumia can say a banking sector reforms, a COVID-19. Excess capacity. Russia. What is the situation in Ghana today? Mamima Abdul Salam Akwaba. Abdul, Bibi Aboko. Today I start with you. And your mama media to Jay. Mami you.
Sorry, but that's it. Lady Kama Mincha Etifina. Mincha Sunkoma.
Yeah, no, I'm on the Sukakaba. But quick one. Open cell send you a message and come on AD and open cell do our drink 0548 931 931. On say a message in no crano. You use your dial and a DI number and send a bear ombre. We your code no 0548. Now the 931 931 asoso. It's your quenya also send a text and our WhatsApp 0548 931 931. Salam, let's go.
That's it, Omaini. Mamin chat nipa minu bi na me na obasi. The power me mama during the Ramadan. First I mean na chairman Obimpe. Former chairman of NDC.
Okay.
In fact, surprisingly, your friend in the FIA chairman,
wow.
Chairman. He has been doing this when he was a chairman. Also,
Sompana 3.1.
It also means I mean, Chamodino, Kokwepia.
Oh,
Coca. Yes, any day on my only baby few cry. Say, mean Jim working the man from Quefas in Chama.
Now, who are your money? Oh, your money.
You do fast, yeah. No matter. Chairman Coca, me that's a Michelle. In fact, watch I say you care and because I care now. The any time you know. Abakami. Midana Sipa.
Okay.
Now, Omani, Michelle African US issue. Okay. But I'm also effective. I'm also
so 3.1.
Sika Mitria and Sunti. I'm at the family course.
Tiano Casewu Yamfao.
Yes, me, next month, I share semester. I'm Scrana. I'm asking myself, Musica number 2. Mitria half. I'm supposed to pay 9,035, maybe MB. And Mitria 4,300, 4,700. I'm the register, and I'm trying to raise fund. It's a name of ID. And Nura. And we're telling me, I'm at the family course. So I have to go to campus and share from the department. The Amoka say I should try and pay at least 70%. Before
which is about 7,000, 8,000.
So before me match from me semester exams. Let's just say by next semester I'll be about day number 3.
They say how this kind of code there.
Yes, this kind of code there. I think it's acceptable.
Wow.
Except that communication about from the MPR no, there's something wrong with that. Because so make a general statement say if you do music
betting,
if you do betting,
told Uber
bakery students over 100 students are almost fees more 2,000. And in the 1 year 2000, only got Uber is cheap. Uber car is saying now see this is the about 10 number comes
Ebi right Ebi omo cooperative.
Now even Uber some are working. Uber some okay catch the is your campus me no some be it's outside Uber
3.1.
and why into me student let me for Uber me do take anybody some sin and go inside. Why? But Uber will campus, I did.
The communication that came from the PR and also I had distorted. I'm
or the case student TV better. Fine, me to better. I don't even know how to do it. Me scan me self-employed. I me ade kakra. Me niska. And I bet you have. Now some maybe to catch you be say more audios of students. I also can categorize go say be undergraduate student na amoka
MBA for ba o ma jam mu nyina
together MBA na ma ka say bia asa woni
is also sham salama masara say o chabet
asa chabet music go chabet.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think so ni come can very well, but I don't think I want to amaze so say cause o ka say student can still pay because all these are nice 6,000 students you quite very serious.
What it means is sisi a always can akutia ebe mo aye but o ma ade it's like outright
and I don't defer if normally deferment ko no ka also you some assessment there that means Uber will top up on it but when you enjoy it see a defer it means also have a chance of freshness here which I don't think is correct. So after what you over 50% of your
okay. Let's wait and see the subsequent days no
yes I'm going
to free waba
now me call only Musa Dankwa issue. In fact, I'm a pensioner meeting.
Oh, okay.
On other sister station, be an interview. You see, me follow in January, the obey.
Yeah.
Over in January analysis away, which Oma Bamia ahead of a friend saying, Alan, which over 10 points.
Yeah.
Because no Bamia or 38, Alan or 27 or 28.
To 28.
Yes. There's over 10 points. Now, I did be a corner or year more. From them, who say it might tilt towards Bamia. And when you go to regional basis,
offer
another region, offer in politics, you have another region, and we make us an invincible region that is Zongo. Sana ye policy, you know, your into Casane, your sister region, it is Zongo 70 region. Because Zongo itself, no, even though we segregated, no, but they have common.
They form a region.
Yes. And the Zongo still all these places, you know, now Alan is ahead of Bamia. So
Zongos, no,
yes. Who prefer say Zongo, say over two between Alan and Bamia. It's even more than 10 points. Especially
which to many was strange.
Yes, it was strange. But you take the perceptions that Nipano about Bamia vis-a-vis Alan. Because most of the Zongos, minimum agencies, 70% are NDCs. But in the NDC, most of NDCs who share more, 80 of them will tell you they will prefer Alan than Bamia.
And why so?
Because about Alan Eruluda, it is Bamia who has ruled. And anytime they are thinking is that Bamia has failed.
That is what they have sent to Ghanaians.
Yeah, Bamia has failed. And Ghanaians are jailed too because Ofa Bamia Assembly Adibia Waya to them. For example, the last statement I will make here, Bamia has been quiet on one fundamental issue.
3.1.
So far in his statement, it is very, very interesting to say, he has not talked about e-levy. And one thing that Otaye was also amazed was projection. So often the statement here, while making a projection on the economy, say, it's all the idea of the challenges I want to, what is going to happen at the end of the year.
1 year.
Hope I go through all that he said. On the challenge or an achievement I'm here. But with all combining now, what are you going to achieve at the end of the year? Was silent. Some of you say, as I say, integrity is questionable. But you can say that those people that will make it that communication, some of them that cannot even do the analysis. It is in conformity that this are junior and show with him. Say the man is failing, And to me, over the last, because over January 2022, I am not surprised saying the message. But this time around, the research aware, I'm going to target 68 constituency. They take about 4.8 million. Because our constituency now, I'm about 4.8 million population.
But he said he interviewed about 6,000.
Yes. No, 16,000. And I am sample size. But the point is that our constituency, a friend said 4.8 million. In research, when you have constituency population does not to me even 1%. You take a fair idea of, and not sure margin of error 1.7.
Yeah.
They've done all the necessary things also moye. Except that me baby I'm want to say is the questioning. Obi aware say one of the things you say questioning.
Questionnaire no.
Yes. Sometimes it could be prudent to come with the question so too. You look at the results and then analyze the questionnaire. Whether the person being questioned understood the question very well. The understanding is very, very key. The emotions behind it. Because me a researcher, I don't take emotional reports from you as because of you are programmed. Yes, I will come because that is the reality. Yes. So my country be I say all those research you hardly see the questionnaire. But look at the world there. What you are researching, you are going to set out the questionnaire so that you can critique it properly. And it's a question you wouldn't find a problem with it. But the other way everybody can do is analysis. Now, I'm Dr. Kabiru Mahama, or technical advisor to Bawumia. What does you point to some holes say? So, call community of NDC. Now, okay, say between Alan and Bawumia, one on to Mana. Definitely say Bawumia. Because almost 95% of NDC will not like a friend say Bawumia.
Bawumia to Alan. Contest.
Yes, it will prefer Alan.
That is what he's also saying. It has come out to say a lot of NDC people say Bawumia de more than buy kukukra because Alan de when my match and it has been a sing song around. You want Bawumia?
You should understand anything because the questionnaire. Sometimes you idea won't tears and say, was he doing a general election questionnaire? And that's MPP pooling. Oh, there's MPP or more internal elections.
He was doing a two on idea make us a one more me say utie na me ni ko say e dia na omo ka say one Alan ebetimi ama Mahama match Adam Bawumia dia na omu gina so o say no de ya musa omo and I'm then how do you come to conclusion say this is the situation Omampani John Mama Kuta almost about 53% as against Bawumia's 35 to 38%, which means a huge. It is a anuna omujina swa. Edian omujina so de kaye. You are not able to tell. So how do I believe in your research? I would rather believe in EIU, but also question EIU research or or to be conclude say John Mama Mwao. Yes.
And the another thing that Kabiru Muserezi, which also is very important. So okay, Bawumia, Alan, and Mahama, boom, in the same way
category.
Yeah, now say Alan Bawumia, Mahama will win. Now combine Alan Bawumia votes. Not sure will you still make Mahama win? Because in this case, what's splitting the vote of MPP? You understand me? So combine Bawumia and Alan vote.
Okay.
Vis-a-vis Jomama vote, still Jomama win.
But he's giving Bawumia 53%.
Now, because a third one or combining Bawumia, Alan.
Okay, yes.
To combine Bawumia and Alan, never Mama, they never compare. Well, still Mama win. Because in this case, it was split MPP votes.
Okay, to cap MPP votes in Bomoa.
And we still make Mama win.
Okay.
So some of these things, can echo maybe I can look at one. But what did I say about outer? We are putting it before 30 million Ghanaians. I'm not for criticizing people. You must have a room to accommodate them. Another thing I mean, who say, oh yeah, the research, some of the area now or target here, your areas are you walk open. I see 68 or 34 areas are walk open. But another 34 another one now.
New ones.
But one thing I make okay, I imagine about Nemon say. Most of the new power targeted this summer are people who are new voters and they're not interested in NDC or MPP. So they can make another choice. And to show you, will you like to vote someone else? I call 14% and 30% and stuff. Telling you, sir, there are people who are today fed up with NDC and MPP. So this one, so we all know our trend of this politics. These floating voters here, most of them will join NDC or MPP during the general election. You understand me? Hardly say, you can't all the smaller parties, we never got 2%.
Which means at the end of the day, almost so many floating voters. Any election, no more check.
It should be better to be alcohol, religion better to be alcohol, some personal should be better about alcohol. And anytime we always say that we know what's wrong, it still give other two of them chance. It makes the thing open. That's my opinion. And it doesn't make the thing stand because at the end of the day, say, assume you say your mama by 53%. It could be say with the 14 Ramadan channel, you can shoot even to 60. With the 40 Ramadan channel, MPP can get 13 of it.
Okay.
So that's floating voters who will have vote for no. I am very, very critical. But to be it is true. That's what they will get. But if that people will vote, and can I say, most of the people who say I won't vote for NDC and I won't vote for MPP, most of them are elect. Most of them are elect. They agree for no the autumn, the tomatoes, I too na free no on one party or join. Last minute to myself go back to the party. I have almost abandoned. But be now we critical analysis of the situation because so me the economical I don't see this government and that difference between these two governments, you know. They are elite. And I can tell you last minute one issue, one policy of Americano, Bama Nigeria is okay because of this policy.
They raise this issue, economy, jobs and education. Do you think say 2024 no answer na ibabe jinaso? Because about 53% of voters are in the brackets looking for jobs. I
know one of the things you better consider in an election. But you see, the higher Krumhani say, when it comes to voting, we still have challenges as to why we vote. Yes, I'm telling you, kind of somebody say, you know what we call political of inheritance. Among for politics say, what dear. And this and if you before you don't think so so if you see before you don't think so it's an so if you before people argue and say question confirm question
NDC for
NDC for MPP for and there is a crowd say I see me pan and NDC and I see me pan and MPP. So issue based politics I know e can be
to say still I know. But Ghanaians are telling us on social media, on radio, say this time we are discerning. We are discerning.
Brother, you knew.
Are you sure?
You knew.
Say nay, fancy bia 2024 ye kotoaba. Unya ubia or ye MPP nia. Ebi obeka say ono ana bankra no. Last 4 years me to my MPP, but this time I will change.
Form less than 1%. Which is
less than 1%.
Look, last year, remember a simple example. Last year, 2020 election. Now I had this banking DND. When we thought about it, a minimum figure, minimum you can say about 30,000. I lose some job. Do you see as a sign vote?
It's a sign about two.
It is about Ghanaians. We feel say by and large, you know, we are getting discouraged with this government and stuff. But the base say because of unemployment and because of no. And I'm telling you,
don't who say a German ho. I want to say or man anymore. But I want to say na idea to aban bia.
I want to say o memu papa. Idea etimi as say vote on Krum ha pa when it came out say we are corrupt. So open etimi tag you so you are corrupt there. You are gone.
But they be so say corruption to aba because 2012 NPP to nyom wo yomi to go Ghana nyina. Your mama won.
Yes.
So that means that anya juma
asama mo kan it did not resonate with the electorate. But we say
2016 it resonated
very well. Compare Papa is saying Kanazo issue about last minute. For Kanazo issue the way a big
Burkina
yes
a Ford Explorer no.
I mean this crime intimate responded and one time the guys in the government fleet the another breath or the will be another breath.
It's corruption a play role.
Target to your corruption. You forget zero tolerance for corruption Mampeduko 4-year campaign in 2020 election in 2000 election. I see, I want to big Ghanaians are suffering of massive corruption. So what you know, while we were suffering in our own motherland, everywhere you go, people are tired, people are crying, we are tired. Now we get the savior, G.O. Kufuor. These things You think that you're corrupt here in Africa, you will lose election because your chroma or I don't know the type of car you're using, but I believe say 4x4. So it's now when I'm not the 4x4 trim never be the first to make us
3.1.
One gazette politician, I will you okay.
Will might be on my second and dear them pay. So as for corruption, dear, anything I wish between NDC and BP, everything they do, they say try to point holes of corruption in every transaction. Obey when they don't even know say genuine look and corruption be a talent at the item. But when it comes to unemployment and stuff, how many people? Because my minimum say, so we educated no page man. You could see say the system is full. So we are in a system of where public sector employ more than the private sector.
Which should not be the
economy of Ghana. Every time public sector takes more than the private sector. So for a production function as Omega, I can tell you our ATL, Assisa, our TPL, and Yakura, yeah, we are employing more than the production. Ghana public service, and I NIPA 20 age man. When the 10 are absent, is the same production. There's no difference because duplication of jobs on Kwana for you. Government is accommodating people because but some of them will have no role to play. Or local government, you can tell you say some of the people in his offices, you know, and government they appoint to movement.
And I say more neutrality allowance. They both full no pay out.
Political neutrality allowance.
I don't think I'm come strike.
Exactly.
Say Argentina, yeah, Yaman yourself the my allowance.
Because what's the perception? I'm myself for any extra money.
No, but why do you do that?
That is the
perception. You're a government to see how much. Why do you go and agree in January? Now, February, March, you know, a whole civil service wants to go on strike because political neutrality allowance.
But the problem I want to say,
Jesus is Lord.
With time, Ghanaians are beginning to think, say, the people who consume much of the state fund are politicians. That is the thinking of Ghanaians.
So, dear mommy, let me come to you. Patrick Atia. Mami too. And come on, Eddie.
Well, yes, I say them, Miss Sancho. Your bar has studio half a cranny. Studio has ya home, can't you cry? You will see a betcha. It's Mamma Chow, na Menchia, on a board, Jokum, and Abdul Salam. Oh, on the on a board, Jokum, the Munisha, and just apostolic phoniation. It's another apostolic day. Oh, and come on, Eddie.
So, 3.1.
I didn't hear. Yeah, church president. Okay. I am propaganda. No, and go for
yeah, go.
Well, research. Lucky enough, my research and marketing service for over 5 years. And see the questionnaires, echo form. Ako collect data. Yaba analyze the data no. Na yenya outcome ne output. I have been directly involved. And anytime me who a research outcome.
3.1.
The first thing I'm asking you so if you be methodologies. How did you arrive at that? Because say bia kwan say on your research na one guide na obeye the opedi abrel. So, I consider need the scientific method be a guha. So, person we are researcher, a quan resu nefa. And this own research funding be irrespective of baby a free no. Adeba question so asks is the methodology.
Yeah.
How did they arrive at this conclusion?
Okay.
Say methodology na fast say you do sample size of this. Or you do a random root work. Or you do case grade. Or you do system when or they analyze it or say no or arrive here. Then obet me in the person is in chain. No, I can say, so fast as you say, then ne outcome no they buy and you better to mukaka. Yet, you doing come. Among for making prediction of 2024 elections. Elections now, I can't want them. Over 30 months away. I never come back some chairman for Susan. Say, and come on, Moody, over 30 months away. Within that period, a lot of things can change in the Ghanaian cycle. Ghana bet me the 1 week a lose elections. The difference between NDC and MPP is such that one corruption tag bet my lose elections.
So corruption at elections.
Oh yes, it is a fact.
Oh, Ghana.
Yes, if you are not able to handle it well, even if it's perception, no one to handle it. It's me doing ya.
Okay.
And this in the MPP. Gaba die and terminal. And so, sir. And see, I be elections, cry, and say, me say, I can't 2 weeks come my election, naba. Now, major scandal be at me see. And now issue be kesebit me see. And now obey the policy be a touch ya come back up to me bar. It's me than elections, no matter our performance, no matter near mercy over the years in government.
Is it that Ghanaians are gullible?
No. You see, first time I near elections. If you look at the NDC performance in 2020, among 5 years so, we had a very powerful manifesto in 2020. And me katima your call from any Ghana foko din komo FI manifesto no. When you sit down, now you be din komo about primary health care. Of course, who your opposition about him the propaganda. But I'm telling you, say nipa na e wo from no. So to bo ase church primary health care mu. And they said the banner a bit more many hospital free near the idea. The person there you can see say or no communicating. When you're communicating to somebody, that's in the parconi
if the person is or decoding or message,
you are really making an impact. Unu obi shia na on the captivate once my yeke. Saying this is you better activate free to university. There are certain category of people here that message alone can make them take a decision. Don't run away from it. Or more dada. Obi wa na just say obi su activate. Obi a believe say baby aga na do no e see ejai humanities na yesu no na call into skilled acquainted programs. All those people once they hear that eba be free or university no, it can influence how they make their decision. So ko anim for baby to say entrepreneurship program na and this person what dey ba na ye di nkomo say obi o person osu adwuma ye betimi aban do betu adwuma mu aban do tu adwuma mu a ye besa ama kakra bosumi bia ama de ahye obotom. If you meet the people at the grassroots na oni omu di national entrepreneurship program na this say ye dey buy away manifesto ni mu asema, everybody will relate, especially obi a osu adwuma osori anopa akwa befa so akokra ya asem, obi a osu adwuma said the beya osori anopa do de beto aduane adi kra ya asem. If you meet that person now need din come say oh and this is the policy be ba ye ba dey register on that program.
Mind to me this am common na.
It was part of our manifesto. You didn't come on, but you see, the manifesto to me was a bit late, and that our effort, especially as communicators,
the People's Manifesto.
And me and touch it to nipa ni na. But there were certain key policies. Be a many who didn't come with the national entrepreneurship program. Na dia apprenticeship program. If say nipa ni they will relate to it and it can influence their decision.
Okay.
And see, omo researching. Of course, researchers are always researching. But if you look at the gap from now to say about Abana, I don't want to rely solely on this research. And it's because we will follow Ghanaian politics, especially by our my politics are munimuno. You know, say from now the 30 months now I can. It's about 32 months to elections. You know, anything in Ghana can change. I almost say ne usha Ghana ni bia obi e bo president Kufuor tuso obi e gbampi abanti so obi e kase this is the worst government ever. Ghana for say ahonche we hu bi da cement through 57 cities 60 cities fuel and to fuel 50 cities Ghana for nyina etem say ahonche nye. But that is alone I don't want me na to say want me nyina kase ne to ba people lusu. I just say it keep worsening ya na say koduru wana bibia hu bibia ansesa. Then you can have but me don't say to gwa kase ombelusi. Oba ne fundings na oye na se okasa president Mahama ne Dr. Bawumia gina president Mahama be wi ni a mi we hu hia ni mokafu ni ayantam frɛ obi ni abofo na nsa na hu. It is obvious.
Now also bibia betima sesa from now 30 months. I don't know where they say obvious.
I have to say yeah dey atua ni Messi gina ho. Ne say omumi onu ho ani mbobo. Obviously without your coach na park so crowd you say atua Messi ni mbobo se na atua. If you pick, say, pick Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now say, pick your friend is saying, Dr. Evans, President John Dramani Mahama. President Mahama performance. Nema President Mahama, President Mahama achievement. Now the Dr. Bawumia now no man. There's no way on any day Ghana ni bia be selected Dr. Bawumia ahead of President Mahama. And so, the President Mahama be jina kumasi no odin koma. Oba pointing out to achievement. And nema Dr. Bawumia will only say, oh, President Akufo-Addo, through my help, did this. President Mahama will say, me ankasa mi yewe. Oti asepete mama de sabe sini bua ka se me asantema me mamu kejetia. Dr. Baumia ebe gina ha edebe no beka. Odi let's take it say and na equal do me no be just say obi anka de ntesa asante reji ha to ba mo mo a. President mama ka kejetia Dr. Baumia beka den. President mama bo
Don't beka say Central Market.
Central Market.
Say be nu onu awie Central Market.
Right. Right, na mo ka Kumasi for ya o. Tama President mama NDC ti akunya so a. Ya cut sword for kejetia. Wo kroma wo Kumasi ni. Anadwu nyina na project ne koso. Ya cut. Oh, Brian. When
was the last time you passed by Central Market?
If you look at the progress of work, KJTL project, you know, said you see koye.
Speedily nature.
Speed the nature man said the Jumani si koso. Now the total Central Market in Hua is so many high. Unless you don't want to admit. We are time on Kati sword for Central Market project. The number of years and baby a Jumani draw. Who do compare President Mahama Tama no si KJT ana Kumasi for nega na ni bi otemi oye witness to that enim say so many han enti me nkoma mi di ni say ye NDC for ya to ye niam nyina
na say say omampani John Mama Ghana mampani dada be ka say me Ghana for me ye we ni enti mo to aba mame a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say MPP for yi no a oni hwe de kire
obaka say me ni obi ye we. Oh no, I said no because me ni obi yewe. And the difference is clear. Me my saying obi no obi aye saying. Again, baby I Ghana do sisi ano. See time man be before ba abamu no. Time to position. Unim, omutimi di nkoma ma wote akira. Wo hwe omo se nkofa say they have something special bi omo dey ba. Especially Dr. Baumia. Utimu say papa yem say o wade foforo bi a wosi o dey ba. But Brian, I just won kan no kre. Obi o kan no kro Ghana ha na bia hu say Dr. Baumia hwe ni nimu.
Hey,
what has changed? When they look at our economy critically, name me a finance person. Over fire economic indicators. Fire how much you manage your economy, how much you manage your city. What's that? My first Brian. Over the years, say city no. Call for man. And then my any be say, yeah, the dollar ni be SL rem. Near injected dollars into the system. Say be hold city no. But see there, yeah, that's yeah. Dr. Baumia economic and yama all practicing no. 1875 Karl Marx more economic theories and one way. There's absolutely nothing new about Dr. Baumia diabo. So for Dr. Baumia policies, how our handle economy now? Said the 1875. Now Karl Marx more theories, economic theories, or mudu hono and one way. Se si di ni ko foma ye fa dollars ka kran wram ni e se
dollar injection
se bet ma ye senya Dr. Baumia fa de fufuro bia ma ya wo tie chire na hwa because papa ye man opportunity why bibi. There is absolutely nothing new. And Ghanaians have seen that. Because kasa ye. Any said you see my mom for G ni di ye. Edu maybe kromusi oh. Say o Zimbabwe a. Tam omo economy ni say ye. Tam omo si kasam ye basa no. Dr. Baumia na ko G Zimbabwe. Na Zimbabwe kura de. O pese o koto pan no a. Udi sika gu pan mu na ada ko. Bra asasa ko mo ni na wote. Ghana economy ye de ma Dr. Baumia. Na o koto pan no a on sika gu pan mu na ada ko. Enso ene etisen. So he has exposed himself. And no kasa na no mama bi was so on the TV na Dr. Baumia beto say one odum no no friend no say kwame abeto TV so madum no na am say ada say obeche nkura no nkontompotwa. Now people when amanfo hu na no omubu afu because people had confidence in him. On say me no tie me wo gidio wo mu say some pa ha ye de o man hena bai o man hena wo achieve because minimum o track record me do otimi ye. So when you come and things does not work the way it is, the disappointment it will come from all angles. And yeah, even actors in the game. Any people, everybody will show say ne o gidi pass the your man in track god na dia didi obetima ye sana Dr. Baumia ye
you see an gidi ni
ni gidi we ni mu biem okasa obi ani Dr. Baumia ma lectures na say he spoke for almost 2 hours one can 11 one sem anyo on to me kasa about 11 because so kasa about 11 Ghana for the kokonti ba ne ma na be kono so because Dr. Baumia on record am I who the positions so far as mobile money is concerned e ka che say mobile money ye be ye agya kuma ahiafo ne use mobile money anything he say betete taxes every year mobile money so that was Dr. Baumia's position ani na anu ani nansa e na aban ono na ye head of economic management team abeso ye mu chinchin so betete ska free your phone so So Dr. Bama you be honest. Na oka no kra. Time on your opportunity, we could have taken this position. So bia first no na me hu say hia for na use momo. But say the momo use momo nya Daniel Skafo. And I say taxes na ye ba beji aba momo no. On don't change the reason of e-levy kra. Dr. Bama spoke for 2 hours on Ghana's economy without mentioning e-levy. So this is somebody who have lost popularity. This is somebody who has lost credibility. This is somebody whose track record shows to say on any day, people don't take him serious. And who did the as flag bearer? So I went this.
So when this there no plan and mobile empire.
Say OPK Alan Chamatin. Alan, even though you want to say something about him, say be a part of this failure. Maybe a Pastor da Mamo Yonkuyi, one year trade minister, and yeah, daddy. So untimi you whom free say Amamo Ninya on Kahono. Because of the key role Dr. Bawumia play as the head of economic management team. And then Dr. Bawumia Anumja. So what $1 at the number IGP, I dare $1 at no. People will hold Dr. Bawumia accountable for this mess than Alan Chamatin, unless you don't want to appreciate it.
Yeah, that's true.
Ghana need beer or analysis. Now objective analysis. Epic Dr. Bawumia Alan Chamatin jina ho. Now when they say omu nyina ye President Akufo-Addo abamu enipa. Why na yemfa so bo ma no sa amamu yiko yi anasa anko yi a every Ghanaian who sort of way point figures on Dr. Bawumia. Say papa, or the matter say bone so or the matter Dr. Bawumia. So Alan as a person, even though he's part of this government, you cannot untimi mfa Alan nyina ho. Emfa so bo ekoso a enya wa aba ni mu nyina embo no. But Dr. Bawumia there adie bia ekoso a enya bia no wo de bo na wo deserve it, because the head of economic management team yesika sem ni enema nyina ono na etoto de untimi nyu hu mfiri bibia mu emfa nko.
So from what you're saying, 30 months away, this Bawumia card will be contingent on the fact that economy na yi ananye.
Well,
do you see that? You also be with my sentence say if MPP are able to change the fortunes of this economy now and you said say be with my sound.
But we hope be any. If you look at this government, what they are doing, and then now no say I want to mo kwa akwadwena kope solution. Mo kwa ya mo ana masa akotena ho se akwadwene. Mo ana de omanya mamo, mo bu omanya se no. And I'm saying, I want to mo kwa consult. Instead of you to involve fresh brains, Ghana for civil society na that dey nya be try adwen no. Mo an de omanya mamo amase omanya bibia ya basa na kroma etwa ho a yehu ye ho anu. Mo ana masa akosi ompie ba ye de be na asesa.
Almost almost 30% of their salaries.
On my head.
Almost petrol.
Brian, oh yes, I'm on for before.
Debiona,
who are now ton.
And some now, oh, sit there and see. Almost say, Ajokumo Mati almost salary so 30%. They are tossing me no 15 pesos a free gas so. Yeah, you one freeway so. Okay, carrying in album almost about 75 pesos. And our market budget and expenditure about 20%.
Expenditure.
And our free salary could buy a deeper beer and 2 crambio. Comprim say just a beer who here pa. Now, Prim ho crowd their conferences now.
Abani president on can abani.
There be something to say here today here president.
President talk.
The president here.
You go we na what to kwahin. Osahan. Jet biom $18,000 per hour. And come out na make us out. You see, the point I want to make is that
now say any amount will be good akwam and fan fast for
one who say BB is oh there
the dollar has come down from $8.
When Bank of Ghana injects dollars into the system, the dollar will be stabilized.
So I need jack reaction.
Yes, say Cocoa syndicated loan bar. I mean the dollar will be stabilized. Say Bank of Ghana, pressure Bank of Ghana. Say they should inject so if Bank of Ghana releases
$500 million.
Yes, that's what the Beirut system logically the dollar will be stabilized.
So it's nothing new.
For how long? Yes. For how long?
It's like a 3 months period.
Yes. And to him, and come on, NDC for Amutimi. Obia can come on to him. Yang NDC for. Be bien who are better start 2024 election week. There's no way this government can cross 2024. And to me, see be bien who are a bit.
There's anyone else to say anything can change.
Yes. I am saying, sir, it is too early to predict. But if you look at this particular people,
nothing will change.
Like it is too long for anybody to predict. But I share the omu ye
speak to them.
There's no hope. Say everybody na ma Ghana for what tom. Ade say nyina o man no say ah na say. And so Ghana ni bia o tie sisi e bom paye say 2024 mra na nya people for sin nja because ya kwa try o mka say try o me try o ma anu ye ho. And so to compare me compare for somebody to even compare Dr. Bawumia and President Mahama, I don't know why somebody to do that comparison.
So what new are you bringing on board?
NDC and the President Mahama. We will come out with our manifesto. But until that manifesto never ban. And come on, I say na me new woody. Eh, never be any Ghana for din that. It is a national apprenticeship program. Eba be touch base. Omo musu adwuma. Omo papa se omo epeso musu adwuma. NDC see eba se ukosu adwuma na bosumi bia aban mo kakra tu botom. Aban edo bokwa kotu adwuma mu. Akade ahuhia aban de be ma. This is a policy, direct policy. Ghana for ne NDC for ne Ghana for share.
Affecting
we talked about primary health care. Yebema health care. Are free?
The 10 billion push.
The 10 billion push. Be pushing infrastructure. So we are giving alternative. We're not just talking. NDC and kasa kesa asi kasa. Ye kasa with alternative. And ye kasa na ye kasa no. You see, say Kamai Kaide bi wofia yamfa nyambe chire nkungurem. Ohwe the NDC aye. Ohwe your track record. Ohwe your achievement. Now when some people before kind. Now where the omo betena akonya so omo ye ya. Brian, e show clearly say Ghana for option bia na say Ghana for take decision. If we didn't think twice and this is a dream you because the NDC ya ban ya betena akonya so obo Ghana for nyina obia ho henha no unim enya say people before buy no nkofo bi hu nto omo nkofo ho ato omo. Oh, there are people in this government. I'm for nkofo to fie e ma be say agina omo na mto tie rubber ka che ene ade. But then some people take akonya so scan em afo. Scan nipa kakre bi na enjoy you. But why observe ya we don't for my Ghana for ni nkomo. NDC wa akonya so na NDC wa ban mu a.
Isani mo bia
Ghana ni bia nya access to the money. But then people before no one almost spend this kind of okrom ha. Because omo no they are elite. Ento omo nya scan omo di wa abrochire. Enti scan omo make no omo kwadu wa abrochire ni ade ntense nwura ye economy ni mu mpo.
Omo asa so e sika no.
Omo yire muti abrochire.
Omo so aye man ni ko body fe yi ase.
Omo mati abrochire, omo yire muti abrochire. Omo ko holidays omo ko na abrochire. Enti people before no lifestyle ni na ya abrochire. Enti omo make scan no Ghana. No akwadu wa US, no akwadu wa UK. Ba ye eje kuma NDC for ne de. Yes, guy, and Mr. Brian was 20, oh, Kwaku, 10, oh, we say. So you can see the money circulating the system.
The local economy works.
Yes, we are the local people. At the end, this year, local people. And to us, Sikabe by everybody, 1 billion, 3 billion. What's radio? What we didn't come? What's radio? When I say, what's here? Sika everybody in a way 21. Baba is the name because in Kofana, Omuta, music Oklahoma.
Thank you very much. Let me go to okay, send your message to 0548931931. Now, Maminja way quickly. And me so for bar a birthday in the person of Pastor MFA Bonaventure Eshon. Happy birthday to you, Madam. We really cherish you. Pastor Mavis MFA Eshon, CEO Biolab Health Services. A war Kenya say Equano so honomo. Ejebia mubo se me the doctor share ni mu. Baby no. And I knew so that Jeff fans were Pastor Bona we dey say gaon gaon. But the fans na say also GB. Enti Pastor Mavis MFA. Today is your birthday and we celebrate you, the entire Revival Life Outreach Church Ministry, together with the head pastor, Prophet Edward Menu, and your husband, Pastor Bonaventure Eshon, the entire ministry. We say, Ayuko, may you enjoy the day to the max. We love you. And we are waiting for our twins anyway. Happy birthday. Okay. Ajakum, Mamincheo.
Mira, Mamincheo, na, Menfanchama, Reverend Edward Kofi Manu. Revival Life Outreach Church, Papa Michelle, or the special intervention. Oh yeah, no, my life mo.
If you just say, Anna, me I'm so for.
You are also for.
Hey, now I'm so for now. Body dry. Prophet Menu.
Yes, Prophet man.
Okay.
Papa me chia baby I will be na me chia apostolic asafuma omohwe omahene nra ya antia asem de me pesua so.
Ade.
Akwanhia sima.
Sompana 3.1.
Beso ma oni so kaka.
Abusuafo mienu efrimu.
Oh.
Nra no nipa nkono nso gugu hospital a be free ha say ya e was say me ko.
No.
Na me kohwe wo mo na ebra call no ba say o say me ba studio no na me okuma se dada. Ti na o say me ba be soma nsa na mako. Ti de dikai no. Omampani na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo ene ya regional minister echiamo ni Asante Mantemu MPP fo nyina ne omo tisti animu omo ka trotro ne taxi drivers a mo de akode ba nyina me chiamo kwansron ko so omahene komo ayedi is about bread and butter issues.
Yeah.
Bi edi obeba wabehu obenya kanea obetumi di ahwe ni TV so bia obetumi di bi ahwe atie ni radio no atie o man hene o voice kama sebin producer abrabo aye boy de owo ene de me wo bia na nyepe nenso so ade bi o hono mo a common the basic necessities in life. Semi Central Market ba my yemen kwan ahye fridge mu anase media si baby a me ba minim se ense me ba na se ase ya hyew kra esa so power brabo wa hu se bibia firi oni padua mu se obi te ka nim na se ebra so na ne yam hyehye ne se me ba ina form 3 JSS 3 obeko secondary school me so minisika me ka kotu akwara na school fees o textia na nimu de but to try na nja baba na na dwen nam no odo ne ba no na nso ahoden oni bi oni sa ahoden na ode ne ba no be ko school no na ato no ni adwendwen sa nipa yi asem na yeka in 2008 ebepim 2016 John Mahama administration a minua atua ekan Ghana nia autistic ojina autistic anim trotro driver and taxi drivers no onim ote Ghana ha onko baby a Central Market ya maami o Central Market a all Tom Brown de oya masom na obedru na ne nkwan ase obi a oda asupiti na ye de oxygen asini so na ye dum kane na wafam ewu o Ghana ha onko baby a yen kan baby a say ye ba ye no sebe ye asoro abofo na mfonso ni MPP aban ho na so Ghana ni bia nim se empo ya ho kire mu a ewiase nyina ya bo adenteche a Ghana ka ho bi na omampani na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo agya tum se ampai wa ho hiahia no ye nhwe sa abre no ene John Mahama NDC minia atua de ne maame ede ne papa titi ni sikam na mo mu de akora na ko school na wa wie nurse ni teacher training na omampani ene NDC aban se yamfa wadwuma adentia esan se yantumi antoto oman ni sika sam yie ntie de ho akọbọ amobra eye IMF o se mayemfa obi adwuma je so obi awu sani pa not Ghana ha yatia na akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no a obi kura wu ni afa na dwuma no na yamma no staff ID no na wakyerɛ de emfie mienu na John Mahama ne NDC abaya ka kyerɛ ne sɛ memma wo bosome miensa katua sa John Mahama ina atue ka na ho asɛm enti so hwɛ within NDC no every Dr. Kwabrado for kra unity no John Mahama yam hyehye no because wo hu sɛ oyɛ niam atroka but ono na kuta ne ball enti ya was match me ball but also watch ne ball Dr. Adolfo was me ball no matobi fa abako ena abop NDC for papo bribri ena ede pressure to omo so nti omo ma omo so a na omo ho atoto jom yera Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or a vice president of the Republic of Ghana oguso eye na dwuma se omampani abedi akire so at the end of the day die aban beye ene be kire ye nto aso enti se yera Mahmoud Bawumia beba abedi omampani Akufo-Addo adio se oni na dio eye de ye madwen ewo ne se ɛdeɛn na mɛyɛ said the chief executive na matena se na ma represent ɔmampani a representing ye na nam so ama Ghana fo anya mu kyɛfa ɛnyɛ baabi a yɛdu baabi a me ne ɔyɛ adwene ne sɛ ɛmfie ɛbosom aduasa ne akyire ɛne wɔ hɔ enti yɛde amanyɔsɛm na adi ka si anim sɛ hwan ne bɛba hwan ne ma nkwara no of first year 3 SHS Enkanea na betuma gina so for the next 30 months. Petrosem with the external shock say amanone edi adencheche ema coronavirus nso enya nsunsanso na de na oye ni tinchinka ye ma no ka say ye ma na nya dwuma bio because no ntumi nya dwuma de odeda funu na ye ma funu so asebe obi a wawu ye ma no so na de ne course ye nya yie sese ya ne ma no ya pega no ebenya nsunsanso say wo ye so border oman hini na ya tutumu a ya bie no ede nsunsanso na ebenya oman ne so ampa se external shocks a minumi enu yentumi eni hu tumi bia womu se enye enonkoa nenso so metumi aka esan se IMF a NDC agini di no waka se ntoko ekoso wo Ukraine ene Russia ewo nsunsanso ewo biman so na ma oman a ewo abibre mu ha eye aduasa miensa eho kire won ewo aduane mu including la Côte d'Ivoire 93.1 33 countries ewo abibiman no entoko ekoso na nyansunsanso wo ompo edom dada aduane nya se ye nya aduane ye nua aduane wa ha o nanso so niam bi wo ho a ye de ka ye de ho ekwan ba ne be fa so a ye betimi aye ye niam entimi de ye meka kire Ghana for say ye mra me di matem ye mra me twa mompoa minua na ka central market minua na ka kejetia ya tra sa politics no enne the human development aye ka ho asem because infrastructure there ye be ye enne oman ko airport ko Kumasi International Airport enche se ne ye o but me amiti Kumawu oman akrocha se chero abodu ase ebi are the whole of do say na be fast airport on mako but ye di nso ko o no nya di nso ko your friend say banko a no na wo hwe so de ato na ba o na wo sa nya ne ba na mane ko school na dia ba ko a me de ball Ghana for aba so pa ebra ye ka say ye ko review na ya ko hwe o mine nhyehyɛ ye ho na midwifery cancel the bus o man pani mo ko na mo se makɔhwɛ o mine ye sikasɛm ne ya ho den ɛwɔ peduase de na nso so ye sraw emfa on san ka teacher and nursing training allowances ho na mo se ɛne sa de no ɛyɛ because almost say was so pa school any Ghana adwumasem ene ne nkankro so ye wo hase ya na guta for so ba say omampani sa benchmark value no odon saka wa haye say ne na eye yete ya say na Ghana for omo odwam ni omo atwika omo say omampani uko infa sanka free SHS afa na kuafo kuafo say omampani sa kokoko na utwagu no say o ka say o se sikani honti o kwako o jai kokoko na udua foforo abra wo yi adada na anyini na free ho a ahwe a obehaye e kire se eniema ye no e wo Ghana fo e wo ensunsuanso pa e wo Ghana fo ho na emom ade abaako a me ka kire ye nyina ne se sa niema wo nyina enuma pa ye ko ye ba Ghana fo do mani ahu enne oman na menu atu e ka TVET and TVET enye free ana ebra ye ba power 2017 na yen ma ne nye so official enti sa convert no ababa wa no ebesu adwuma ana ye ma ne ntete ye ne ma no 10 cedis ye so mfa nto aduane ni
na mutua
10 cedis na ya kire na adwuma ye wi a na setting up last 2 weeks me ankasa me district ye graduate enipa 80 a omunya asantete ye ni bi apprentice a omunso so nkwada na omo sa do omo ba ye nso 80 na omampani hwedi no meya ne nchenchen de me mfamra mainstream free SHS no na menya ni TVET oba micro mu a obi a otie mi bia nim nkwanta Kumawu nkwanta Brown New School no omampani asi ana ode nkwada 436 ya place omo eye TVET free TVET and you feel say e free sabre ekopim 2024 sa kwada no aye man ntete ye papa na watumi hu say me free here me call technical university na babenya me nsa no adwuma ye no ne maame ne na busuafo no nti omo hu na so omo kosi gina ya omo hu de obetumi aboa omo etumi ne atu ya adwen say ono de ose omo hu no 2020 no omo de share omo manifesto ye de ne wo mu dada ne ye se de abaye free okọ teacher technical and vocational schools no a se ya place nkwada no e wo ho omo sua de enti de all pamade de all ye mechanics ne all ye electricals sa ne ma ni nyina no ye no ho emrantie ne mabawa omo school mu enti wo miss sa opportunity no enti eniema ye sikasem ewo Ghana yenim se betumi ayama na yes achen de ye ni e kamen ko a na me nua otwi taxi adesafo nanka petrol no enka otono de ade a ewo fom nanso so enne ewiase enyinara oman hene kira me ba bia ose ono de oda na wada ne ho atono eno na ubusa na me na oza NDC manifesto ka 10 billion push dollars me boa say oman hene let be sincere ye finance person busa ho say oman be pa na be sorry say oba be support sa policy no say NDC kra na power sa policy no ko oba abandon because ewiase ene asetena ye wo mu no wo nhihye ye pa na so also person ye kire me say within the NDC manifesto no na omo de bibi hiem say covid beba na pandemic bi beba baby MPP enim CPP so na eni ho enti be the American say Ghana for yen new patriotic party your lifestyle me ameti as a district chief executive say ye si adan nyina ye ne mo pa nyina mamo na mpo me ankasa mabrabo me kasa me ne ye because Ghanaians had the feelings na to aba omo the feelings na to aba me ankasa mabrabo me ankasa me kasa me ankasa me ne ye say and conform to the Ghana for pa the man is difficult breaking the 8 aban bia ba eba no nipa hofo no enti say opese o break is anema emfa ho ne anwuma pa o mampani na nado danko akufo ado ne yewra ba omi abeye say ye actors no say
appointees no
exactly appointees no
na mo form dey
yes you could clearly see by you betima ya abrosa
mabrem ho ase Ghana for humusa
meba on say Ghanaians are the best judges the better judges
now from grapevine what do you hear
you see individually obetumi obi a okwan a obefa so obetima judge ansem American
but generally
you could see say perception na ewo politicians ho say
ahomaso ni
in fact
MPP this time around
say you could see sometimes no papa we kra me ne ko studio bi a otimika minka say seven producer
mu nyina
exactly
but you could see majority
o man panika asem bi on say ade a ehu ne scandals aban bi a scandals be rockil
more
be rockil more one way ya enti say otimi manage sa ne ma ne nyina ubahu say Ghana for nya gidie wo mu unim say NDC for accuse mu oman ne say mo media mu say what is asem no because susu say niam bi wo ha say nka mo keka kire ya mo nka nkire muaya ye de ma omu ne say ekwan ya mo fa so a mo bu man ma mo mampani nkasa o mampani John Mahama ho kire ne o haw ne amane e ba Ghana so a obegina akumase ebo ye nti obi a kire Ghana for ne asantema na Ghana for no mbu afu ebra mo de capitation ba ye say mo de ye pilot na obi abeyare ewo asaman na ese ma no so ko jaache pram so because ho na ne hospital ewo na Ghana for no omubu afu say ye hu na se yanso yatumi toto ye niema na ye ba e form say the Ghana for pe ye wa ho kire mu nti no ye live opulent life ebi na wo kan me ameti hey my salary has been slashed by 30%. Me conference obi a opesa wo ye allowances ebi obeye no ya slash by 50%. Sa niam ni nyina na se Ghana for otimi bu nkonta ehun se ampa enya no ne de kan ye na nya sunsuan so pa e wo ye hyehyeye so a Ghana for be hwa to aba mai
Ghana for be hwa to aba Abdul Salam ma me bra won chain na economy also the owampani abedi eche say everything is how you feel in your pocket. Obatimi the figures say we are seeing to the economy is what you feel. Owampani abedi eche neka is your pocket. How do you feel in your pocket?
I feel very bad in my pocket.
Yes, an exigency of the moment. They're calling for that. I don't want you. I want it in general.
But you are also part of Ghanaians.
In generality, Ghanaians don't feel good in their pocket. They say, Honorable Cracker, you to me say, and come here better. The situation is that but you see,
can we blame it solely on the government?
Sometimes we blame it on government, and as I mean, on the state. Share idea your friend of PPF. Your friends of Production Possibility Frontier. Even friend of Production Possibility KEF.
So 3.1.
Share Sabina. It tells you say we are Pareto efficient. Means say your resources, you know, we don't utilize it at all. Oh, draw careful. You are far below the KEF. Because you know your production level awful. Or maybe a production level from Biano, you face these challenges. Russia now from 2014 to date, because of more production, Russia was able to save $600 billion. But they will face all these sanctions and DND.
But
Somebody 3.1.
And Russia to say, one Tommy fuel in rubble, so I won't sell it to you. Why? Because the more production behind the world need it. You say sending bomb, German sending bomb. I go do last week and German so made them metal oil and gas into from Russian to bomb on the other and the money of transfer. Osha ye Ghana ha. They be like I say, ye kind of world market and I say Africa say where there it is solely from Ghana. Ghana for the produce more.
So our problem is production.
But look, and then will be a research say who combine Cote d'Ivoire and Ghana. We supply $3 billion worth of cocoa. But that cocoa I supply $3 billion, you know. By the time I do the secondary and tertiary level of consumption, it's worth $150 billion. So what is Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire doing? And they are supplying, original supplying. We take less than 1% of the money. Less than 1%. So say a system say a bus open board here in Africa, Ghana supply more. About Peru, Ghana is the best. We continue to save this, even whatever government will come, this economic challenge will be here. Because the system I say every intervention we have to say economically, we need foreign support. And 500 billion they are able to stabilize dollars.
500 million.
500 million they are able to stabilize dollars. And check this Zabramo for Gao for Chinese will buy all. Now I go back to the square one. Why? Because this is our country.
So then Kobase. Yeah, structure of the economy, no, and I was yes, son.
Exactly.
So then, Ebasa, then why do you blame government? It means there is something fundamentally wrong with our country as a state, but not the individual or the economy.
Yeah, political propaganda. But when it comes to reality, it's a state policy. Nigeria, I'm making sure say they will consume 80% of their friends saying. I'm more products, you know.
Yeah.
No matter the situation, Nigeria is better than us. Question GDP. Question Nigeria GDP. Look, Nigeria have over 300 million population. I'm more consuming 87% of their own rights.
Yeah. But kind of yeah, but quite election. Almost to border ni. Banning poultry ni rice.
And I'm almost for Africa sinobia. Because who produce in Nigeria? People over. Look, when you say Nigeria, you are who say this thing. Ghanaians even actors are running to Nigeria.
Oh yes.
Because Nigeria could move in to 10%. It's better than
that one is the market size.
No, market size because.
But they have put in measures. What is that? Copyright. Ebeye so deadly Nigeria say. Now man for a copy or more sini.
Yes.
Oh man, ebeye so criminal say death sentence nya babe.
Oh okay.
Eti eno bi twa nyom back wa. Nigeria or Isikani.
So what I'm saying is,
but first now over chance now man for copy.
I'm market size so, but they control it. Say I'm for infiltrate easily. Say Nigeria, we be better down no be either. You can market size small.
And so be a good.
Be and will be a good. Enti ya
FDA for so Emma approval standard boss G2
yes baby akola dia
inferior goods
the chroma socks in a force dey neto panties here it has something to do with your health force dey neto
kokasa won tongue sia o obi be demonstration say one man no dia
na tao BFO
support crowd force
nkukọ ya be force dey enti say your person economy is stronger and wants to take state measures bia a state policy.
Who should take the bull by the horn? Why they also here?
We must call a bipartisan meeting. They
are not ready. They are bipartisan now, okay. We are dealing with manifestos. And it will never help us. Because, Ediane say, Patrick Eman manifesto, Ute Honorable, or the manifesto Munyaman Ekachre. National Development Planning Commission enye juma besin na because NDC ba or certain National Development Commissioner NDC for MPP ba yi omo pam omu nyina e de omo soso e de foforo ba yi omo so idea ye towards MPP enti no NDC win 2024 or the foforo ba say MPP continue obey yi be film the machine so we are square one at every point in time.
That is a dread.
So where do we go?
We have nowhere to go. Except unless GMPC, a state office and state asset. You cannot change the people in there. They are trying to plan for the state. So to me, law be support. I'm telling you can start. And this idea, when NDC come back to power,
also
in 2 years' time we start to complain.
The parties in parliament are supposed to pass that law. Will the MPs allow it? No, because MP no honor. Or person a party by power. It's anything inimical to the ruling government or be just or be na NPP force to co-position. They will make things difficult for the party to also. It's acquired to say, yeah, the second kuta and the warrior cheap. Particular 2 hours or 30 months, Bibi bet master. But Patrick is never praying, say near Mansa.
Exactly.
Wey benya Chadio Kumau DC benya Kasamo ye ne kese nto NDC Kwabrado for krame 2 ayi ana me boa oh nti akoya te say obi opposition a ana mususu makoda dwam musumo kontokwa CPP ni NDC Won't come any won't get a mobile come no.
Na party ki
na be the PS they were PS in the CPP. PS in the CPP. When you started from 2000 you were doing better. And now you don't have a parliamentary representation.
But it was a resource.
And Makuntokwa sa besine. Eti Ghana for any that swore I third force. No,
you say in even last election, if I'm right, even last election, rejected ballots was more than the entire.
Yes, because people are not taught how to vote. And at the end of the day, maybe PNC and the CPP. NDC MPP Prema Mumon Kamubom. Are they?
Very good. They are influencing people in our parties.
It is true. Yeah, but got 2020 elections. One Pasara. Pasara ne. Evelyn. Any Janet Wana Blast wine. PNC. Also soon in Crawford and Tokwa. PNC ni kama first CPP ni abetrai. O kasa. Utie na aswo ye NDC ni. PNC ni tie kasa aswo ye MPP ni. Eti wo wi a mutimu say now who bekasa my party and now bekasa my opposition. And you are killing yourself because so you are in opposition and you're already corrupt. Come on, yeah. You're wrapping up. Mami, until Patrick, Mami, you're wrapping up.
Interesting.
Wow. Yes, my brother.
Nkoma Salam Mudi.
I uje mikro mu ma hin oh. Otie oh. Ose
Sompana 3.1.
Pesa.
Ale.
Ose frɛ o ma hin no muntie.
Oh, okay, Brian.
I'm fire confused.
Brian. Pacho, say from my mind. Hey, very much. Very much, Michao. Also, before front of Ohana, I'm so Mrs. Samedi. Brian, not the framework. Intimate Traha frame of mine.
Okay, on my of some empire.
Traditional.
Now, Uncle Salamudi. And Uncle dear over the years.
3.1.
Looking at the long term. Uncle Odi, Ukapimi is in praying. Cannot solve our problem. I just said, yes, you. And to bring people for doing Komobi say, Omode, one district, one factory banner. Even though you might be an opposition party, if you look at the policy and the motive behind that, so so I do it this on Komutimi and Kabebwa.
We are doing it.
But and now I know what I say. 6 years into their governance, have you seen any impact of that one district, one factory? It's a total failure.
Sampana 3.1.
Omo the map will be by a map no. Omo chere area bia ne prospect. Enti bia oba atwuma kwa nwoma. Omo so atwuma kwa nwoma. Omo kave enkuaba ene ade wo ho. Na omo de ahye wo se e ba e besi enkuaba factory. Se o kontonso a ebia ntonso ne important mu ho. Omo tia ntomam. Omo ye kente ni ade. Omo so ye be ye kente factory. Enti they were able to identify every area bia ne adwuma nipa won potem ho ye e ka so mbesi hu factory 6 years in government utu ani ade na hu and obusa am say factories na am ka say mbesi na bi wa ya yes evapio ubusa am say bi wa na yes ka sa preko so the motive behind ade na omo de buy even though nanka ya adwen papa in the long term
so omo ka say the policy is to support
and no omo de afa ho na say de omo ye de obi aye bi from 2013 to 2015 under the NDC, over 70 new private businesses were established by a private sector. Over $1 billion. Sir, factories, you know, private individuals, private companies na established here. Even 2013, 2015, and all energy challenges now they don't know. That is how Ghana statistical events, trade and industry for website. They are all there. The factories are there. The investments they made. So, foreign investors and our private investors investing in Ghana there. But when Omuni didn't come on, they painted the perception. They said, "Abai business factories." Only the Abu Omo. Sabrina Munana Commander Sugar Factory. Na NDC Biano. And it's a winning factory, grandpa. Utmi who Commander Sugar Factory. No more the year example. You know who call radio. Almost we have Commander Sugar Factory. Yeah. When you pay by employ, when you pay by Juma, you see no area. Boys are money Jumanya, Mubanya Jumaya. So and command people before the idea. No, what trust in our and now. What you say, Costo Pony Nadas and Lucrebianum. And in command Salamudia. Salam Eka, the future of Ghana. All the imbalances in our export and import, you know. And you come Ghana for you who fit but I bind Biaba, especially this government, and I'm more being who I want to exercise your fortunes. And then I buy where I am my export.
And it has only no,
but you see, it takes commitment. I said, my cousin, oh, Ghana say you import rice from China. A year, you import close to about $1 billion of rice. And 2% will start more. I say now we are one. Who Niska? We are China members can say for do a moonage and the so your problem now can so because so crack sardine every Germany example of demo now omo economy ni benefit from no now so percent o starting now sardine we Ghana ha do you think Germany members can say fire sardine no now we area one ma so ideas you as people now we try to brainstorm man come on no dey na work catch no Ghana ha there's no way NDC for quad adwin ba na say yeah every for person because suggestion be bro when this manifesto man some people before never no more implement e boy nyina but they will not pick because some can make say hey then this for kan no more here na me be na o kan accident ni see here accident is see motorbikes ni pragane ade no it is causing a lot of accidents ade na be see there their activities are not regulated but when we say it in our manifesto say you be regulate our activities na ma omo ba bia so omo kwan ba bia ni so omo kwan ni ade no Ghana ni bia hu say sa policy NDC for the because you mutan aprage na bobo ya ni ade no he has come to stay obi antu me yin film aba Adia say say de mra beto ho. Ye de chairman the first to say ba legalize the mra to ho. Dey na keep MPP.
From doing it.
Thank
you very much. And this message is for you. I'm Jojo Abuaso Kwabri East. Good morning, Omahine and all cherished viewers of Sompa. I want to ask the NDC representative in the person of Patrick. Wasn't ex-president Mahama a vice president just like Bawumia before winning the election in 2012? Did Mahama then show any project and infrastructure before winning the election? He should come again. Okay. Also, Penny Mahama and show BBR to 2012 for winning election. Ghana needs national systematic plan development, but no manifesto. MPP and NDC don't think about our citizens first, but they think about their parties first, salary allowance and the rest. Seriously, Ghana, our future is fearfully not well. Omai, good morning to your panel. In fact, Omai Nanado has indeed disappointed the youth in the country. I don't even want to see him and Bawumia on TV anymore. Hey, Atakwajo. Bofu. Good morning. Tell the NDC man that the NDC promised us one time in NHIS. They failed and nothing can come. Educate Chronom Station. Okay, MPP should stop talking about what they have done and talk about what they are doing and what they will do. Good morning. Okay, please, I really want to know the way forward. Thank you. I'm a fee-paying student. I'm supposed to pay 6,000, but I was able to pay 3,000 and still got deferred. Kafrao. Good morning. I'm really enjoying your program. In fact, MPP has failed us totally, especially Dr. Bawumia. Ghanaians to wise up. Sylvester from Swami. Honorable, in a minute, wrap up for us and let's pick up. School some by politics now.
Oh,
they are
group work is right. Who answer for messages?
I win be.
Afe Dabi. But someone may know I'm group work in the
because so many messages.
Yeah, discussion.
Messages start to say banana.
Message your course has been deferred. Can you imagine see more assignment when you are different course.
I you could be so rapper for me now. You pay jam
on that. No credit say so nim Wadi tomato factory.
Yeah.
Bono. Under 1D1. So a
confit fruit juice. But Nyamia him na confit fruit juice there. Echo juice.
Okay.
Government. Yeah, Echo. Abai. Echo 1D1F.
Met my CEO.
Oh yes.
It's a government company.
I told you see you out there. Oh,
you see, some say a private partner.
Oh yes.
Some say a government company.
No, you don't have to have 1D1F. Nothing in a government.
And Abai says so me saying.
Yeah, new petrol.
Abai does not need to have a share.
Yeah,
government support.
Yeah, believe in private sector. Please go and read our manifesto. Please.
Oh. That is what they
manifesto.
Said. Page a private sector.
One factory. I better one day one support.
Openi.
Hello.
Openi.
Your microphone is off.
Any district beam. What the tomato factory? Any district beam. So dead rice. Any now last week. Yeah, rice exhibition show. District. Obama me kwana mebobo omo buy. Omo emo na ye dua no Ghana ha no. And on be showcase here.
No me be say.
Number 4. Within the sector enclave nko a.
Wow.
And yeah. Omama 4 by Dedel 4 by Ashanti Royal by then Gold. All of them came. Sure. And ye preko pe and I'll bet me understand the structure of our economy.
It will take time.
But I'm happy. Say NDC for no who said in Sishaya ye and and until I hear pese yetana ambamu no mu che. So that one so
hello.
NDC for no who said
but yeah, you got time kakra. Na there no one to search there one about.
Mabo aguna. I the government
it's not government right.
Party no. I also a socialist was a social democrat. One kasa kra no onwini sa ne ma no. Yeah, center right na ye bi enuma e create jobs. Opani
Abaya be mo
I'm say 1D1F no one kai policy no. Because oti one no. Unya waje say obekai.
Oh, allow him. Manitio.
Your policy be a year, and yan keke. You see, you duamo, be processing under 1D1F. Ya ma and crankle together with government, a partner. Ye be a factory, ye milli. Meno Casade or mobile. UK aban say ya mu no ayedua no locally has in locals no eboa na almost you know wona munim enro e wo mu ni ade e wo fom omo ne University of Cape Coast ye research say be ya ye betumi scaling it up no matumi de dodo no akọ e ba hanhwe ya so yetimi ye ni yi a omo prefer say on beto mo afri ho enti omampani na nadan kwaku for wa nya sa ni so ade hunu no a enya de anka ye betumi aduru ba de to so biem between na do dan kwaku for ado Yeramba Umia ene John Mahama enya me na meka mame one corrupt idea mo friend say corruption allegation ba ko pe e wo Yeramba Umia ho na emma me e ka say me mo 10 e wo John Mahama ho Ghana for him say Baumia because in elections corruption is an issue. Utie minua.
That's how say Baumia who so.
He is not corrupt. John Mahama, John Mahama, you're Speaker of Parliament, the current Speaker of Parliament. Sumanu Babe.
John Mahama has been Vice President.
He has been Vice President.
And you Vice President. You are comparing as Vice.
As Vice. Obia Vice President. He's found to be corrupt.
Wow.
Now over here, president. Now increase our corruption radar. Not Ghana for rejecting all of. Now and then, Mama said, "You're about me. Mebo. Why not? Why end this in eBay?" And then which said, "You're about me and Kotiasi." Because it has been their nightmare. I bet you imagine General Munkadan.
Okay. Let me leave it here for you. God willing, tomorrow we will draw the curtain on tomorrow's program.
The easiest contest NDC will have. Tell me before the daughter about me. It will be the easiest contest.
So because MPPC, the cheapest will be John Mahama. MPPC, the cheapest will be John Mahama. Who's also the cheapest?
And the Ghanaians will decide.
Abusuafo Abdul Salam Motenenka. Sanso ana mote. Mote Patrick Tianka. Ana DC Kumau Ajekum Samuel Motenenka. Mebacho Muma Mimpo. Jaba 11. Your family, Omayine Dubuachi. It's now the Friday special, bro. The debate will be hot on our social issues. Stay with us and have a wonderful day. At this moment, Wire Crado, the man that rocks the midday. His name is Rocky. Stay with him from now to midday. And you're there. Want to mean Taki.